skills of the future. Who all are absolutely ready to do that in 2025? Ready? Ready? Superb. I absolutely love this energy in the chat box. Ready. Superb. Chalo, let's start. Okay? So the first thing that we'll be learning for the day, I want to ask this question from you all. Guys, what is the one thing that you think almost every working professional has to do? Right? One thing almost every working professional. You could be from like any department, and this is something that almost everyone has to do. Time management, Excel, presentations, being smart, okay, make PPT, Excel, presentation, reports, punctuality, time management, PPT, okay, being out of the box, okay. I see a lot of answers in the chat box. I feel time management, Excel, PPT, these are something which are topping the chat, okay, which are something which are topping the chat. Guys, out of this, let me ask you something. What about presentations? Guys, do you think making presentations is something that almost every working professional has to do? Okay, almost every working professional has to do this. Like, you could be an entry level associate, or you could be a manager, you could be a senior manager, you could be a AVP, you could be a VP in your company, and almost every hierarchical level has to create presentations. Yes, yes, maybe, right? Okay, I see a lot of yeses in the chat box. I see a couple of no's as well, that making PPT is not a part of my day-to-day job. Guys, if it is a no for you right now, believe me that as you rise the hierarchy, as you grow up the hierarchy further, making PPTs will be something which will be a very essential part of your job. You would be required to make PPTs day in and day out. That is what your managers are doing. They are attending meetings day in and day out, and that is why they have to create PPTs day in and day out. So that is why making PPTs is something that almost every working professional should be doing very, very well. So as a first thing, as a first learning for the day, let's make a PPT together. Guys, do you want to make a PPT together right now in this particular session itself? Do you want to do it? Yes? Chalo. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. Okay, for this, let's take a case study. Okay, let's take a case study. What is the case study that we can use? Let's say I want all of you to imagine that you are working in Airtel as a marketing manager. Okay, guys, imagine that you are working in Airtel as a marketing manager, and Jio, which is a rival of Airtel, has just launched Jio Cinema app for all its subscribers. Now your manager at Airtel calls you and asks you to prepare a detailed presentation on Jio Cinema and its implications on Airtel's business. Is everyone absolutely clear with the problem statement that we have in hand? That you are working in Airtel as a marketing manager. Jio has just launched Jio Cinema. You, as a person, as a as an employee at Airtel, have to create a detailed presentation on Jio Cinema and its implication on Airtel's business, and present it in front of your bosses. Okay, clear? Problem statement clear to each and everyone? Yes? Now guys, in order to make a presentation, there are three most important steps. Agree with me? What are the three most important steps? It is number one, research. Okay, you need to do research on the topic. Okay, what is Jio Cinema doing? What are the plans? And how has Jio Cinema launched in the market? When was it launched? What is the impact it has created? So you need to do a lot of research about it. Then you need to outline the PPT. What will you show in slide 1? What will you show in slide 2? What will you show in slide 3? So you need to make an outline of it. And number 3 is design. Basically, you need to make a very beautiful looking PPT so that you can present it in front of your bosses and make a very good impression in front of your bosses. Okay, so research, outline and design. Now guys, if I were, if you have to make this particular presentation, let's say you have to make this sort of a presentation, a 10-page presentation like this. What do you think? How much time will you take in order to create a detailed presentation like this? How much time will you take? 1.5 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, 3.5 hours, 1.5 to 2 hours, one complete day, 2 days, 1 hour, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 7 hours, at least 1 hour, 5 hours, 30 minutes. That is great if you can do it in 30 minutes. 3 hours, 40 minutes, 5 hours, 6 hours. Okay, I see a lot of responses in the chat box. I think an average that I'm getting is what 4 hours, 5 hours people are saying that they'll need in order to make a 10-page presentation like this. Let me ask my friend Kachave over here, who used to work in a PE, and his day in day out work was to create presentations. Kachave, how much time you used to take in order to make presentations?
See, the rule of thumb was 1 hour per slide. So let's say I have a slide with, I have to create a presentation with 60 slides, then it would have taken me 60 hours, right? So from researching, outlining, designing and adding relevant data, 1 hour per slide. That was how much time it used to take.
Got it. So basically, if you have to make a 10-page presentation, it would take, generally in a private equity, it would take about 10 hours to do so. Now, guys, what if I tell you? What if I tell you that in today's session, right now in this particular session itself, okay, I'll show you something via which we can create a presentation like this in under 1 minute. In under 1 minute. How amazing, how mind-blowing would it be if we can create this sort of a detailed presentation in under 1 minute? Shocking, sounds amazing, impossible, can't be accurate. Is it possible? Not possible. Interesting and wow. Okay, okay. So I see a lot of curiosity in the chat box. Guys, let's see. Okay, people who are saying not possible, impossible, or sounds amazing, etc. Let's see. Even I'll give it a try along with you guys, and let's see whether we can do it. Okay? Let's see whether we can do it. So the first tool that we'll be using for the day is a tool via which we can do research on any sort of topic you want to know more about. Why research? Because the first step of making the PPT is doing research, correct? So we'll be using an AI tool for this. Any guesses on which AI tool we'll be using? Any guesses? Okay, I see a lot of chat GPTs in the chat box. Guys, we'll be using perplexity.ai. Okay, we'll be using perplexity.ai in order to, do research on any sort of topic. Let's understand it with the help of a demo. So what I'll do, I'll go to perplexity.ai. Okay, once I go to Perplexity, I'll ask this particular question to Perplexity. What is the question? Okay, let me ask this question. Firstly, I want to know more about JioCinema. Okay, so I'll ask Perplexity, give me more details about JioCinema. Or give me details about JioCinema. Let us just simply put, give me details about JioCinema. Now guys, because we have to create this PPT, doing research on JioCinema is very important, correct? So we'll ask something like this and wait for a few seconds. Now guys, of course, if you ask this question in Google, you won't get, you will get a lot of links, you will get a lot of links, and you will have to go to each of those links in order to actually find out the answer on figuring out the details about JioCinema. You need to go through multiple tabs. But what Perplexity does to you, it gives you an accurate, precise information about JioCinema in a couple of paragraphs with all of the important points, and that too with a source to each of these points as well. Okay, JioCinema is a prominent streaming platform in India, launched in 2016, etc., etc. Content library, it has 350 movies, 500 TV shows, etc. Subscription plans, this is the plan, this is the family plan, accessibility, unique features, and all of these information you have gotten it in a matter of one single prompt. One single prompt, and you have gotten all about it. That is not it. Okay, couple of people asking why not in ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT for the same as well. But guys, what is so unique about Perplexity, which I wanted to show to you guys, why I use Perplexity for this, guys, for everything that is being written over here, you are getting sources for the same as well. If you click one over here, it will open another page for you with a reference link for the same, why this particular information has been given. Similarly, if you click 3, you will get more details about that as well. Basically, it is all connected, and you will be getting reference websites for all of your answers. So what are the exclusive shows available on JioCinema? Click over here and you will get an answer regarding that as well. How many of you are absolutely mind blown looking at this particular feature of Perplexity? Absolutely mind blown. Can I have a MB in the chat box if you're completely mind blown about it? Is this paid? No, all the tools. Okay guys, all the tools that we'll be teaching you are completely free or freemium. Okay, even I'm using the free version of Perplexity itself. Okay? Chalo, MB. So amazing, right? So we have gotten details about JioCinema. That too, we have gotten it along with sources for the same, and that too, all of it. If you want to know more about it, we can click somewhere and we'll get more details about that as well. Okay, so this is what you were able to do via Perplexity as step number 1. But this is not what we wanted to do. Is it that we wanted to do? No, right? We wanted to create a PPT on JioCinema and its implications on Airtel's business. So let us go ahead a step further and ask this question to Perplexity. Okay, I am working in Airtel as a marketing manager. My boss just called me and asked me to prepare a detailed presentation on JioCinema and its implications on Airtel's business. Okay, in fact, you can add a line over here as well. I'm working in Airtel as a marketing manager. Jio has just launched the Jio Cinema app. My boss just called me and asked me to prepare a detailed presentation on Jio Cinema and its implication on Airtel's business. Okay, help me with the content and the outline for a 10-page presentation on the same. Okay, so we ask something like this to Perplexity and let's input this. Now guys, this is a very long prompt. Do you think if we enter something like this in Google, anything will work? Like you will get any answer? Okay, let me paste the same thing in Google. If you enter something like this, okay, you won't get anything relevant to what you are looking for. But if you enter the same thing in Perplexity and hit an enter over here, your mind is gonna be completely blown in a couple of seconds, guys, because like even though you were so specific that I'm working in Airtel as a marketing manager, etc., you have gotten a detailed presentation along with the content and outline for the same as well. Slide number 1, title: Jio Cinema Implications for Airtel's Business, and the analysis of the competitive landscape in digital streaming. Okay, your name and designation, the date, introduction, brief overview of Jio Cinema and its significance in the OTT market, launch and ownership, launched in 2016 by Reliance Jio, etc., content variety, movie, TV, etc., subscription models along with the pricing for the same, competitive landscape, implication for Airtel, opportunities for Airtel, conclusion, Q&A. You have gotten everything along with additional content suggestions like graphs and charts, include visual aids showing market trends in OTT consumption and subscriber projection growth, case studies, future trends, all of this graph suggestions along with the content and the outline of the PPT done in a matter of seconds. How many of you are absolutely mind blown by this? Type in A and B in the chat box if you're absolutely mind blown looking at this. Now guys, if you want to go a step further, let's say if you want something like this, specifically if you want something like this, okay, you can go ahead and ask this particular question as well. Okay, give me some visual aids showing market trends in OTT consumption and subscriber growth projections. Okay, if you enter something like this, it may be, okay, I'm not sure, but it may be, as you can see on the right hand side of your screen, it has already given you certain graphs and it has given you the data points for the same as well. Again, very detailed analysis on the data points along with the graphs for the same as well. How many of you now feel that it is actually mind blowing? Actually mind blowing. AMB. Okay, along with the references for the same as well. Okay, along with the references for the same, you can click on any of these links and it will give you redirect you to the references for the same. Okay, it will redirect you to the references for the same. So that is how amazing it is. And you have gotten the graphs and everything over here as well. As you can see on the right hand side of your screen, you can see you have gotten the graphs for the same. So guys, in a matter of few seconds, we have gotten all the content for the PPT. We have gotten the outline for the PPT as well. Now what is the work remaining? Just simply copy stuff, copy content from here and paste it, in the PPT format of your company, and your work will be done. In fact, you can take in few statistical numbers, few graphs, and everything from here as well, and you would have created a very detailed, a very good presentation on this particular topic. Amazing. Can I have a 10x in the chat box if you felt that this is a 10x way of creating presentations than what you have been doing so far? 10x, 110x, 10 to the power 10x way of creating PPTs. 10x. Superb. Amazing. Kajavi, what do you think about it? Do you also find it 10x?
I would say it is 10x, but the most important question is, we promised some people that we are going to create entire presentation in 1 minute, but I think it will take at least 5 minutes. So folks, do you want by which you can create entire presentation in just 1 minute? Yes. Absolutely. So before I do that, I would like to address two questions. So the first question is this copyright free? So this is absolutely copyright free because it is generated by AI. This is not like copied or pasted from anywhere, or this is not like stolen from anywhere. This is generated by AI. So this is absolutely copyright free. So you can use it anywhere you want. That is first question. Second question, why are we using Perplexity instead of ChatGPT? You can use ChatGPT too, but Perplexity does more fact checking, gives you reference links, and on top of that, it's connected to internet. So that's why we use Perplexity. The third question that you had, are these graphs accurate? Absolutely, these graphs are accurate. These graphs are cited from newspapers and other things. So whatever you use for Perplexity, it will be having source to it so that you can add the same source to your presentation. So moving on, let's create the same presentation in just matter of 1 minute. Who is absolutely excited for that? Who is absolutely excited for that? Yes, 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 yes. Absolutely. Absolutely. Love this energy, folks. So throughout the session, keep the energy at the same level so that we can reflect back to the same energy. All right. So let's create the same PPT in just matter of 1 minute. So for this, we are going to use one particular tool. Name of that tool is basically Gamma.app. All right. Just go to Gamma.app. I'll just copy the URL and paste it for everyone so that you can try along with me. Okay. So once you are on Gamma.app, you have to just log into it. All right. So I see many questions. I see Pramod saying, Aditya, take my name. So folks, in this session, we have like so many AI tools to cover and so many bonus tools as well, right? So in this session, I want to keep maximum value per minute. So whatever questions that you have, we are going to cover it towards the end. Does that sound fair to everyone? Does that sound fair to everyone? Yes? Someone is saying, Aditya, why are you not reading my messages? It is because I want to keep maximum value per minute throughout the session so that whatever questions that you have, we'll be covering it by end of this session, okay? All right. Okay, so folks, once we are on Gamma.app, log in into it, right? Once you log in into Gamma.app, you'll be seeing window like this, right? You can see my account is free. So Gamma.app will allow you to create 12 to 13 PPTs every single month for free of cost, right? And if you want to create more PPTs, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? If you want to create more PPTs than 13, 14, number one, you should quit your job, because if your job is requiring to create more than 13 PPTs a month, then I think that job is really, really hectic, right? But jokes aside, what are you going to do? You can just create new login of Google and you can log in from that. So you will be getting 13 plus 13, 26 PPTs. Okay? All right. Yes. Create new account. Absolutely right? All right. So I'll just click on create new with AI. All right. So once I click on create new with AI, so I'll be seeing this option, paste in text. So let's say if you have that Perplexity text, so if you want to create presentation around that only, you are going to select this first option, which is paste in text. Generate is basically you are just going to give one line prompt and it is going to create the presentation. And if you want to create presentation around some URL, let's say how your company has given you some landing page or some website, and from that website your company has asked you to create presentation, then you are going to select this third option, which is import file or URL. All right. Or if you have like your boss sent you on PDF or some book and he has asked you to like create a presentation out of this, just select the third option, upload your book, and from that it will create entire presentation for you. For this example, we are going to see generate. All right, so I'll click on generate. Okay, and here like you can select, like if you want 8 slides, you can select 8 slide, 9 slide, 10 slide, right? You can select like what kind of presentation slides you want. Default is basically traditional like 19:16:9 format or tall format, right? So here I'm going to keep it default, and after that you can also select language, right? If you want to create presentation in Hindi, you can select Hindi. If you want to create in Tamil, you can select Tamil, like simply like that. All right. So now here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give a prompt, right? I'm working in Airtel as marketing manager. My boss has asked me to create presentation on Geo Cinema and its implications on Airtel's business. All right. So I'll just give this simple prompt with lot of spelling mistakes and let's see. All right. What do we get? So my hands are up, and it has given me exact outline which I was looking for. Jio Cinema, the disruptive force in OTT landscape, overview of Jio Cinema. Jio Cinema's impact on Indian media and entertainment industry, analyzing Airtel's current position in OTT market, identifying Jio Cinema's competitive advantage, strategies for Airtel to respond to Jio Cinema challenges, potential threat and risk to Airtel business, recommendation and future outlook, right? Let's say I want to like change some slide, or if I want to like change content of some slide, or if I want to delete some slide, I'll just go over here. I can delete the card, and I can add, like, let's say I want to add a conclusion slide over here. So I'll just add conclusion over here, and it will write me a conclusion. All right, and here you can select, like, if you want brief text in your slide, medium text in your slide, or you want your slides to be really detailed. So I'll be selecting medium for this example, and then I'll click continue. All right. So now the most difficult part. All right, I need to select if I want a light theme or dark theme. Folks, which theme should I select? A lighter one or dark one? A light theme or dark theme? Light, dark, light, dark, dark. All right. So not many of you are saying light, so I'll just select a light theme, right? That's really difficult job to do. So after a lot of thinking, I'll just select light theme. All right. Now I'll click on generate, and folks, if your mind blown, continuously drop in MB in the chat box, right? After I click on generate. Okay. So my hands are up, right? Now let's see what happens, right? Okay. Now my hands are up, and folks, just see what is happening right in front of you. Who is absolutely mind blown? Drop in MB in the chat box. If you are absolutely mind blown, drop in MB in the chat box, right? All right. Okay. So now let's see if this is presentable or not, right? I'll just click on present. And hello, my boss. I'm your favorite employee. I have created this presentation by not sleeping last night, and I was awake whole night, and I researched a lot, and I have came up with this presentation, right? So let's see, like, what kind of Jio Cinema's impact is there on like Airtel business, right? So you can see we have like exactly like advanced streaming, personalized recommendation, of that increased competition, all this thing, blah 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 blah, and give me my promotion, right? Who is absolutely mind blown? And who thinks like this is not half-baked thing? This is like you can actually use this thing right in front. Like if you actually have to like present it on short deadline, you can actually present something like this, right? If you go through content of the slide, you can see exactly each and everything. You can see like it will be making sense, right? And let's say if you want to edit something, right? So you can just directly go here and you can like simply edit it. So my name is Aditya. I like AI tools, right? So you can do anything you want. All right.
Guys, we can in fact download it as well. And a couple of people who are asking, whether we can use the content which was generated in Perplexity. I see a couple of people asking that. You can in fact do that as well. Okay. In fact, Kajave, if you can show that as well. Once you go to Gamma, there is this create button in like as Kajave showed to you. You simply click on that create button, and after that paste the content. Okay, paste the content from Perplexity over here, and it will do exactly the same thing. Okay, it will do exactly the same thing. It will take content from Perplexity, and using that it will create the PPT. Understood? Yeah.
PPT on Jio Cinema and its implications on Airtel's business. All right, I'll just show you in quickly. So once I get something from here, all right. So here I got the complete answer, right? So it is still generating. I think it is more than 1 minute, so it is slow. Okay, so I'll just copy it. Okay. I'm doing one of the most difficult tasks in the world, which is copying, right? I'm copying it. Now I'll come to our Gamma.app, our dear own Gamma.app. Here I'm going to click on create new, right? And here now I'm going to select the paste in text option, right? Paste in text option. And here I'm going to dump the text, right? Dump exact text that we had, right? After that, I'm going to select presentation. I'm going to select continue. Okay. And here it is giving me exact things which I have, right? And I'm going to click on continue. Okay. Now this time around, I'm going to select dark theme, right? I'm going to do the one of most important, which is like selecting the theme. I'll select the dark theme. I'll click on generate. Okay, and boom, drop in M in the chat box, folks. Drop in mind blown in the chat box if you are absolutely mind blown, right? Whatever, like let's say you got like 2-page mail from your boss, create presentation around this. What you're going to do, copy that mail, paste it in Perplexity, your presentation will be completed, right? In just matter of minutes, right?
Hope this answers
Absolutely.
questions regarding, some people had this question, if my content is not readily available in internet, how do I do that? So guys, you can take content, paste it over here, and Gamma will do the rest of the work for you. Clear? Clear? Can I have a very big clear in the chat box if it's absolutely clear to everyone?
Yes.
Perfect.
Super folks. Now someone is asking, Aditya, मेरी company में Gamma नहीं use करते, PPT use करते, right? Who has this question? My company doesn't use Gamma. My boss won't understand what Gamma is, but I need this content in my presentation, PPT format. Would you like to see how you can get this content in your PPT format? Yes. All right. So what you are going to do, just click on these three dots, right? After that, click on this option of export, right? And here, click on this particular option of export to PowerPoint, okay? So once you export to PowerPoint, in just matter of 1 minute, you can download it as PPT, and after that, you can edit PPT as you want. You can add 100 transitions, you can add 200 animations, no problem, right? I can download this now, but like you got the point, right? And so now, do you think going forward, creating presentation won't be same for you, right? Going forward, creating presentation won't be same for you. Yes. Absolutely. All right. Okay. So the song, folks. Before beginning of this session, we heard some songs, right? We heard some songs about BeatNX. We heard songs like which are sounding really nice, right? Do you know like who created these songs? Did we pay any artist to create these songs? Did we create any artist to create these songs? No. AI created it, right? AI created it. Just imagine. You are about to present something to your boss, right? And before the presentation, before like everyone is coming into the hall, you have played one song about your company, like about name of your company, right? Just imagine kind of impact it is going to have, right? Just imagine kind of impact it is going to have. Would you like to create the same song? Would you like to become like one of the top-notch Hollywood singers or one of the top-notch Hollywood music producers? Yes. Right? In 0 rupees and in 1 minute. All right. Let's see. All right. Okay. So next tool which we are going to see is basically Suno. All right. It's basically Suno. So for Suno, first of all, I'll just go to suno.com. Right. Suno.com. All right. Once you are on suno.com, here you will be seeing window like this. Right. So first of all, we have to click on this option of create. Right. We have to click on this option of create, and after this we have to write lyrics, right? Since I'm not that artistic person, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my dear old friend ChatGPT, right? I'll just go to chat.openai.com, all right? And here I'll ask ChatGPT to create me a song about my company BeatNX. We teach AI tools to working professionals to increase their productivity and salary, right? So let's see. I'm not artistic, but ChatGPT is artistic, right? So let's take this song from ChatGPT. In the world that moving fast, we lead the way, teaching skills brighten up your everyday. AI is in your hand, let magic unfold. BeatNX is here, making stories unfold. Folks, who likes this song already? Or do you think it could be better? Right? Nice. All right. So it is a long song. Let the ChatGPT just complete it, right? It is taking too much time. Okay, so I just copy it. Okay, so I'm doing one of the most difficult tasks, which is copying it, right? I have copied it. Now, second most difficult task, I'm pasting it, right? And here, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do third most difficult task, which is click on create. All right, I'll click on create. Okay. So now it will create this song. Let's see how much time will it take for creating this song. All right. And let's hear this song as well. And you guys decide on a scale of 1 to 10 how much are you going to rate this song. All right? Okay. So I have this song. Ready?
Teaching skills to thrive in after every day. I'm in your hands, let the magic unfold. These and X's here, making stories untold. We're not just learning, we're rewriting the game. Boosting your salary, building your name. From 9 to 5 to thriving alive. With B10X, we help you arrive. We're not just learning, we're rewriting the game. Boosting your salary, building your name. From 9 to 5 to thriving alive. With B10X, we help you arrive. B10X, rise and shine, unleash the power of your mind. Work smarter, grow higher, feel your dreams, ignite that fire. 10X will show you how to turn your potential into wow. AI tools in your control, B10X will make you whole. From Excel hacks to automating flow, we simplify tasks, let your brilliance glow.
Folks, now who feels like they're music composer? Now who feel like you can be a music composer? Right? Drop in absolutely MB in the chat box. If you feel like music composers' jobs are gone, singers' jobs are gone, right? Pause scope, absolutely right. So let's say you don't like this version, it has created me another version as well. I'll just play another version. Second version.
In a world that's moving fast, we lead the way. Teaching skills to brighten up your everyday. AI in your hands, let the magic unfold. B10X is here, making stories untold. We're not just learning, we're rewriting the game. Boosting your salary, building your name. From 9 to 5, thriving alive. With B10X, we help you arrive. B10X, rise and shine. Unleash the power of your mind. Work smarter, go higher. Fuel your dreams, ignite that fire.
Folks, which song do you like? First one or second one? Which song do you like? Like first one or second one? Right? First, second, both. First, second, right? How much money did I pay to create this song? How much money did we pay to create this song? 0 rupees, right? 0 rupees, right? How much time did we spend to create this song? 1 minute. Atta, I'm going to create a song for my wife. Absolutely, folks. Like it is in your head. How you want to use it, it is in your head, right? I'm just showing you like what is the way of using and leveraging AI for yourself. All right. So who is absolutely mind blown? Who is absolutely mind blown? Can it create Hindi songs or Telugu songs? Folks, I'm not sure since it is like new technology. Maybe in the future, after 6-7 months, in 2025, it will be able to do that. Okay. Mind blown. Absolutely. All right. So that is our second AI tool. All right. After this, who has this particular concern, right? When you are trying to create PPT, right? We have got best start for our PPT. We got like best presentation, best design for our PPT. Now the third thing, when you are researching for your presentation, did this happen with you? Does this thing happen with you? If you are trying to research for your presentation, right? There is some news article that you want to read, right? Let's say this is the news article you want to read, but there is this nasty paywall, right? There is this nasty paywall asking you to pay. Who like happened with whom? This thing happened with whom? You are trying to do some research or you are trying to create an article, but there is a nasty paywall which is not letting you see anything, right? Me, myself, me, yes, right? Folks, would you like me to remove this paywall for you for absolutely free of cost, and you can get access to it for absolutely free of cost? Any newspaper in the world? Yes, please. Yes. By the way, before I show you this, it is like if you can pay for the journalism, kindly pay for it. Why am I doing this? Do you think like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google Gemini, all these people pay for this newspaper or any research paper or any book? They have trained their AI model on all this knowledge in the world, right? And for 0 rupees, they are using it left, right, and center, right? So I'm just democratizing the access to knowledge, right? So that you will be having access to same knowledge as this large people like Google, Microsoft, all these people are having, right? So if you can pay for it, just pay for it. My goal over here is to give you the same access as compared to these large organizations. Okay? Everyone clear? Yes. So would you like me to show or should I skip it? Somebody said like Aditya, like that won't be good, right? So that's why I just clarified. Sure. Absolutely, absolutely. So what are you going to do? What are you going to do? One of my favorite tool, whatever newspaper you want to read or whatever like article you want to read, right? What are you going to do? Just go to archive.ph, right? Go to this website, archive.ph. Okay. Once you are on archive.ph, right? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Just copy URL, right? Just copy the URL which you want to unlock. I'll just copy the URL. Step number 2. Now, second most difficult work, I'm going to paste this URL, right? And now I'm going to click on save. Okay? Now I'm going to click on save. Now the ironic part is going to happen. A robot will ask me to prove myself that I'm not a robot. Right? Let's see if I'm not a robot. Okay? So I'll just click on I'm not a robot. Oh, it's accepted. I thought it will ask me to like click this and click that. All right. So AI is asking people that prove that we are not AI. Right? How ironic is that? So boom, folks, we have complete articles right in front of us for absolutely free of cost. Who is absolutely mind blown? Drop in AMB in the chat box if you feel like I have saved you like thousands and thousands of rupees. AMB. Absolutely mind blown, Aditya. AMB. Aditya, is there something for research papers? So folks, by the way, do you want something for research papers? Would you like to also have access to research papers? Yes. But that's a bonus tool, right? That's not part of today's session. But like if I get enough energy, maybe I'll cover that as well. Yes. My goal is to make that level playing field, right? The access of knowledge, the knowledge access which large organizations have, you guys will be having the same access to knowledge. All right? Yes. Absolutely right. So let's see. So you have unlocked any research paper, you have unlocked any newspaper, any blog that you want by using archive.ph, right? By using archive.ph. Sometimes archive.ph is not working. So at that time, use this second website, which is wayback.archive.org, right? If you use this machine like wayback.archive.org, it is same, right? It is the same. All right. So now for research paper, let's see for the research paper, right? So whose research paper are we going to see? We are going to see my own research paper, right? So let's say you guys are my students, so I want to give you access to my one of like most cited research paper, which is like cited by 12 more people, right? So if I try to open this and if I want to give you access to my research, so let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens, right? So I'll just open this, okay? So it was published in Tyler and Francis, okay? So if I want to give access to you guys to this research paper, let's see what happens, okay? So if I click on this, read this article, what is happening? It is asking me to pay $61 for my own research paper. So do you guys want to like have this research paper for absolutely free of cost? Not only this research paper, but any research paper on this entire earth. Yes. Absolutely. So this time around, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do my first most difficult task, which is copying the name of research paper, right? I'll just copy it. Now I'll go to this particular website, saheb/hub.ru, right? saheb/hub.ru. Here, I'm going to paste name of the research paper, right? I'm going to paste name of the research paper, and I'm going to click on this unlock button, which is open button, okay? Once I click on this open button, my hands are up and let's see what happens, right? $60 folks. 4,000 rupees research paper right in front of you for absolutely free of cost. Just drop in MB in the chat box if you are absolutely mind blown, right? Just see. You have complete research paper right in front of you. And Aditya, your dear Aditya Kachwe as one of the authors, right? MB. Absolutely mind blown. Paisa also Aditya. Love you. Thanks a lot, folks. Thanks a lot for showing support. All right. But is it 10x? Right? I gave you access to the knowledge, right? That may be 4x, 5x, right? Anyone can give you access to the knowledge. But would you like a way to consume this knowledge in 10x way? Would you like a way to consume this knowledge in 10x way? Like you ask AI to summarize this, AI can summarize this whole research paper in 2 lines, right? You ask AI to explain it to you like you are a 9-year-old, AI will explain it to you like you are a 9-year-old, right? Yes. Infinitely useful. Let's see if I have something for you, right? Let's see if I have something for you, all right? So now we saw like how you can get access to any kind of research paper or any kind of newspaper, right? Research paper part was not part of the session. Since you guys showed me such energy, such a lovely energy, you guys are such lovely folks. That's why you got that bonus tool, okay? So now let's go for something further, right? You got access to the knowledge, but now we want a 10x way of consuming the knowledge, right? We want a 10x way of consuming the knowledge. For that, one of my most favorite and most powerful AI tool, which is like I'm using it on day-to-day basis, it's called as Merlin Chrome extension, right? It's called as Merlin Chrome extension, right? What is it? Merlin Chrome extension, right? Just go to Merlin Chrome extension, this particular first website. I'll just copy the link and paste it for you guys. All right. So here, once you go on Merlin Chrome extension, what you are going to do, just click on add to Chrome, right? Just click on add to Chrome. Once you have added it to Chrome, you'll be seeing Merlin icon like this, right? You'll be seeing Merlin icon like this. Once you have installed Merlin, you'll be seeing Merlin icon like this. So once you have installed Merlin, and what you are going to do, whatever article that you want to read, right? Whatever article you want to read, what are you going to do? You just select the article, right? You just select the article, okay? Okay, all right. And now right click, and here select view context to Merlin, right? Select view context to Merlin. Okay, so now Merlin will ask you to sign in, so I'm just going to sign in. Okay, continue with Google. All right, I'll just click on continue. Okay, so I have signed in successfully. Okay, I think is Merlin paid? No, you can use Merlin 50 times a day for absolutely free of cost. If you want to use more than 50 times a day, use 2 accounts of Merlin. Okay, double thumbs up, folks. All right. Okay, so let it just like log in. I think it is taking some time to log in. So maybe this AI tool is slow, but it is really useful. The time it is taking is absolutely worth it. I can assure you that, folks. Okay. So now I have logged in successfully into my Merlin account. So once I am on my relevant window, right? Once I am on my relevant window, let me just refresh it. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select this text. I'm going to right click. I'm going to give it to Merlin as context, right? Now I'm going to ask Merlin. To summarize me this. Summarize me this in 3 bullet points. 3 bullet points. All right. Okay. So now I gave this prompt to Merlin. Now let's see what happens. Okay. Boom. Folks, who is absolutely mind blown? It has summarized me that entire text in just 3 bullet points. Who is absolutely mind blown, right? Who thinks now you have the 10x way of consuming any kind of knowledge in the world, right? Me, absolutely. By the way, folks, now the time for second tool. Now time for the second tool, right? Who always wanted to become a LinkedIn influencer, right? Who always wanted to gain like 1 lakh followers, 30,000 followers, 40,000 followers on LinkedIn? Drop in me in the chat box if you are someone who wanted to like gain these much followers on LinkedIn, right? But for gaining these much followers, what is required? What is required? It is good content, right? Good content. Folks, do you want an AI? Which can write good content for you? On whatever article that you are reading? Yes. Again. The same AI tool is going to write whatever article that you want. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this article, right? I'm going to just select this article. Okay. I'm going to right click. I'm going to give it to give context to Merlin. All right. And here I'm going to ask Merlin to create me a LinkedIn post which will go viral out of this article, right? Just give this prompt, right? Create me a LinkedIn post which will go viral out of this article, right? And hit enter. Okay, hit enter. Now let's see. Okay, folks, my hands are up and let's see if I can become LinkedIn influencer. All right. if I can become LinkedIn influencer. Let's see. Okay, so it is taking some time. Okay, folks. So just see. It has used all the emojis. Could we really dim the sun, right? Engaging title, right? Engaging title. People are hooked on the title, right? After that, blah 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 blah, and finally, it has used all the relevant hashtags. It has used all the relevant hashtags as well, right? Who is absolutely mind blown? Drop in AMB in the chat box if you are absolutely mind blown, right? If you feel like you are going to start posting on LinkedIn every single day and become a LinkedIn influencer just by having this simple trick of Merlin, right? AMB, goosebumps, absolutely, folks, right? Now I have like one more bonus rule, right? One more bonus rule. Okay. Who watches podcasts? Do you watch podcast, folks? Do you watch podcasts? Yes. Who has watched like really absolutely garbage podcasts and felt like I have wasted my 2 hours? In the past, you have watched a complete podcast, and after watching the podcast, you felt like this was just promotion of the founder, this was just promotion of that person, and it was absolutely garbage. Who has felt this? Me. Yes? Would you like a tool? Would you like an AI tool which is going to watch that complete podcast or complete YouTube video for you, and is going to give you that summary of everything in just 2-3 lines? Can we summarize YouTube video? Absolutely. Would you like that tool, folks? Would you like a tool which can summarize the entire YouTube video for you in 1 minute write-up? You read that write-up, and after that you decide like if you want to like watch that video or not. I think Mann Ki Baat chin li. Absolutely, right? If you want, I'm going to show you, right? Again. Since I told you guys, Merlin is most powerful, most powerful tool of all. I'm going to show you how you can use Merlin to summarize any kind of YouTube video, right? Once you have installed Merlin, right? Whenever you open your YouTube video,
Today I'm going to talk about
so whenever you open YouTube video, so you'll be seeing something like this, right? You'll be seeing something like this. This is because of Merlin, right? This is because of Merlin. Okay. And here what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this option of generate summary, right? I'm going to click on this option of generate summary. Now my hands are up, folks, and in 1 second I have complete summary of the video, right? So at what time Sam Altman, what is covered by Sam Altman, right? Sam Altman is founder of OpenAI, right? Founder of ChatGPT. So on 00 he has covered like how to succeed in startup. After that he has covered differentiation between real and fake trends, startup needs and ambitious vision to attract talent. So all these things. Who is absolutely mind blown? AMB. Yes. So you can do it for any podcast or anything you want. If you want notes, you can just copy it, right? You can just copy it and paste it in your doc, right? You can copy entire summary. You can copy entire summary and paste it in a doc. Sometimes you find such a mind-blowing video that you want summary of that video in your notes. Make sense? Right? What you can do in that case, you can simply copy it and paste it. Alright, you can simply copy it and paste it. Okay? By the way, folks, just by learning like 4-5 tools right now, how much time do you think we have saved you on daily basis? How much time do you feel like we have saved you on daily basis? 2 hours, at least 3 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour, 4 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours. So I feel like we have pretty much fulfilled our promise. So do you want me to continue this session? Do you want to learn more? Sir, I have fulfilled my promise and we should just call it a day. Continue. Absolutely, right? Love this energy, folks. Love this energy. Alright. So now, I have given you the best way to read any article. I have given you the best way to see any YouTube video. Now, would you like to have a best way to read any kind of PDF? AI is going to read entire PDF for you, and you can ask questions to that AI, and that AI is going to answer you everything, right? Your boss has sent you 60-page document, right? You give that document to AI and you ask questions, what like is saal ka kitna profit hai and all these things, whatever you want to ask, you ask to AI and AI is giving you answers. Would you like that? Would you like that, folks? Would you like that? Yes. Do you want that? Will that be useful? Yes. Absolutely. Right? So for this a tool which I use personally for like reading any kind of PDF document, any kind of doc is AnySummary, right? Is AnySummary.app, right? Is AnySummary.app. So go to AnySummary.app, and once you are on AnySummary, what you're going to do, just click on this upload button, right? Click on this upload button, okay? Once you click on this upload button, just select any book which you want to summarize or any PDF that you want answers from, right? For my particular case, I want answers from the very famous book, which is Great Gatsby, right? There is a movie based on this book as well, right? So I'll just upload PDF of Great Gatsby over here, okay? All right. So once I upload the PDF of Great Gatsby, it is processing, it will take some time, right? Since it is reading book extensively, right? This AI is reading book extensively, let's give it 2-3 moments, all right? So boom, folks, drop in MB in the chat box for absolutely mind blowing. You got exact summary of the book right in front of you in the form of bullet points, right? After that, if you want custom summary, like you can tell it like, I'm a doctor, I want to present it to my patients, can you give me a custom summary? I'm a marketing manager, I want to present it to my boss, can you give me a custom summary? You can do n number of things with it. Who is absolutely mind blowing? It will give you custom summary as well. Let's say you want to ask questions, just go to this third option of chat, right? Just go to this third option of chat and you can ask any kind of question that you want to this tool, right? After that, if you want like summary of the book, you can just go to TLDR. Here you'll be getting exact summary of the book, right? If you want like detailed analysis of your book, you can get that in this particular tool of detailed analysis, right? Absolutely mind blown. Mind blown, Aditya. Wonderful. Absolutely mind blown. All right. I thought, how did you download Great Gatsby book? Oh, folks, do you want a way? Do you want a way of like downloading any book in the world? Doesn't matter if that book is like 10,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, any book like Chetan Bhagan ki book, J.K. Rowling ki book, right? Your favorite book, academic book, non-academic book, fictional book, all the books in the world, Hindi, English, Marathi, Telugu, all the books. Yes. But that is not part of the session, right? That is not part of the session. Again, I'm sharing like I'm giving too many tools away, right? I'm giving too many tools away. Would you really want that? Do you really want that, folks? Yes. I love this energy. So let's do one deal. All right. Let's do one deal. I'll show you the book. I'll show you the tool which can download any kind of book for you, right? But in return, I want your review. Do we have them? If that tool works for you, if you like that tool, then you're going to give me review. Does that work for you? Deal? Deal, folks? All right, deal, done deal. All right, love this energy, folks, love this energy. All right. Since you guys are giving such a fantastic energy, that's why I'm sharing. Like that is first and foremost reason. Otherwise, this was absolutely, I'm honestly telling you, this was not part of the session, right? Let's go on Amazon, right? In my childhood, I was really passionate about mathematics, right? I was really passionate about mathematics, right? I wanted this book, which is called as History of Mathematics, right? Which was called History of Mathematics, right? So this book was only for let's see price of the book, right? Let's see price of the book, right? So this particular book, right? So by Thomas Sowell, right? Dispute between Newton and Leibniz, right? So this particular book I wanted, but this book was costing 12,000 rupees. Obviously, my mom and dad, they told me like, Aditya, just cool down and read your textbooks, right? Study your textbook and get good grades. You don't need to read this, right? So at that time, I found out about this tool, right? This particular book is for how much? 12,816 rupees. So folks, drop in MB in the chat box if you want to see this book unlocked for absolutely free of cost, right? Whatever Amazon book that you have, if you want to see it unlocked for absolutely free of cost, what are you going to do? I just copy name of the author or I just copy name of the book, right? I just copy name of the book, okay? Step number 1 and most difficult thing, copy name of the book, right? Step number 2 and second most difficult thing, I'm going to go on this particular website which is libgen.is, right? Which is libgen.is, and here I'm going to paste name of the book, right? Here I'm going to paste name of the book, right? Just go to libgen.is, right? Libgen.is, okay? And click on this third most difficult thing is basically click on search, okay? Click on search. Once I have clicked on search, folks, drop in MB in the chat box, right? Drop in mind blown in the chat box if you are absolutely mind blown by saying you have 13,000 rupees book unlocked for you for absolutely free of cost, right? For absolutely free of cost. Okay. So how can I download this? I just go on this particular first mirror, right? Here you can see cover of the book, and here is the book cover on Amazon. Is this same? Is this same or different? Same, right? Now I'm going to click on get, right? I'm going to click on get. right? And here, without any ads, without any bullshit, I can directly save it, right? I can directly save it. Who is absolutely manual? Who is absolutely manual, right? Can it download any book? Absolutely, it can download any book on the face of the earth, right? Why am I giving you this? I'm giving you this because I want to make that level playing field between you and this large language models, right? Now it is, now folks, we had one day, right? We had one day. So I'm going to share one link with you. Go ahead and give your review about our session on that link, okay? All right, all right. Okay, so now we have seen the right, thanks a lot. All right, paisa also ho gaya. Absolutely. All right. So now we have seen. At the very beginning, oh, my team has shared the link with you. You can go ahead on this link and share your review. All right. Along with your selfie, I would love to see your selfie while you are attending the session, like this, right? Like this. Okay. So if you can attach it over there. Okay. All right. Okay, folks, so we have seen like how to create any kind of presentation. We have seen like how to see summary of any kind of text. We have seen how to do summary of any kind of PDF. We have seen all these things, right? All these things we have seen, right? Now it is time. Let's say you want to create a presentation, right? You want to create a presentation and you have something this wide idea, right? You have to like use tiger riding a bullet, right? Bullet bike on surface of moon, right? You want to add this image. If you search this image on Google, would you get it? Will you get it? Right? Will you get such image? Will you get such image? No. Would you like a method by which you can generate any kind of image? Yes. I tell you, thanks a lot, folks. You have fulfilled your part of the deal. I'm really proud of you. All right. Okay. So for creating any kind of image, right? For creating any kind of image, any kind of artwork that you want using AI, let's see the method. Let's see the tool, right? Let's see the method and let's see the tool. All right. So the tool which I am going to use for creating any kind of image, right? For creating any kind of image in the world is basically called as Canva, right? It's called as Canva. Just go to canva.com, right? Just go to canva.com. Okay. Once you are on canva.com, create like you can select anything, right? I'm just going to select a presentation. All right. And here on the presentation, what am I going to do? I'm going to go in elements, right? I'm going to go in second option of elements, right? Step number 1, go to canva.com. Step number 2, go this option of elements, right? And here in elements, what I'm going to do? I'm going to select this option of generate your own, right? Generate your own. Now here I can give any prompt I want, right? Let me think. Giraffe on top of airplane on the surface of moon. All right. So let's say I want to create such image. So I'll just select what kind of image I want. Photorealistic, right? Aspect ratio square. And in 1 month you can use like you can use 500. You can create 500 images, right? No problem. All right. Folks, drop in MD in the chat box if you are absolutely manual. If you are absolutely manual, ये देखो क्या बनाया इसने, right? What it has created. Mind learn, MV, right? Just see. It is not perfect, but you see what kind of power AI gives you, right? What kind of power AI gives you, right? So now you can be wide with your imagination. You can create song for your presentation. You can create any image for your presentation. You can be most resourceful and most research-oriented person in your organization, right? So now, what is one more important thing when it comes to presenting your presentation, right? When it comes to presenting your presentation, बड़ा खतरनाक है, right? Absolutely, it is बड़ा खतरनाक and बड़ा useful as well. It is up to you, right? How, if you want to make it खतरनाक, don't use it and lose your job. If you want to make it बड़ा useful, then start using AI today. All right? Start using AI today. Okay? So now we have created a presentation, we have done all these things, right? Now comes the part of delivering actual presentation, right? So would you like a speech coach, folks? Would you like a speech coach? Why I talk so good? Because I have a speech coach, right? I have a speech coach, but my speech coach used to charge me 30,000 rupees a month, right? Would you like a free speech coach for yourself, folks? Would you like a free speech coach for yourself, folks? So this book is downloaded. This book is downloaded, right? So you can just go on this book and you can see. Drop in MB in the chat box. You have complete book right in front of you, right? Right in front of you. Complete book. Okay. Absolutely. So now I would like to welcome Aditya Goenka to show you our own free speech coach. All right.
Perfect. Alright. Guys, hope you all can see my screen. Can I get a big yes in the chat box if that's the case? Can you all see my screen? Yes? Sure. Okay. So, guys, we have seen a lot of amazing stuff so far. You know, we have learned how to create presentations. We have learned how to generate our own music, how to bypass paywalls, how to download books, how to summarize stuff, how to write posts on LinkedIn, how to create some sort of artwork. And, you know, as Kachare was telling right now, it is very, very important for us to learn how to communicate better. Okay, communicate better for any next interview that we have, any next Zoom presentation that we have, any, next speech that we have to deliver. Anyone over here has an interview presentation or you have been in such situations where you have to go for an interview, Zoom presentation or a speech, and you would really like it if you can practice for that speech or practice for that interview and deliver the best presentation right there in front of everyone. How would it be if you could practice regarding all of this with the help of AI, freely with the help of AI? Would it be amazing if I can show you something like that? Me. I have an interview coming next week. Okay, super. Then I'm sure it would be really helpful for you. Okay, and it will be really helpful for anyone if you want to improve your communication skills. And this is something which is very, very, very important for you to be able to grow in your career. Okay, so how do you improve your communication skills? With the help of this particular tool, which is called as Udly. How does Udly work? Let me show it with the help of a demo. So I'll go to app.udly.ai. Okay, once I go to app.udly.ai, I'll click on sign in over here. Once I click on sign in, okay, see, I have an account, that is why I'm being signed in. If you do not, most of you wouldn't have an account, so you would need to create an account. Okay, once you have created an account and logged in, you would see a dashboard like this. Okay, you would see a dashboard like this. Now what do you need to do over here? You would simply need to go and click on this practice. Once you hover this practice button, you will get 4 options in front of you. Either you can upload an existing video which you want Udly's help on, or you can practice for a live interview, for a live presentation, or for a role play as well. Let's say we have to do it for a presentation. Okay, you can do it for any of these. Okay, you can do it for any of these. So let's say we do a demo on presentation, then you can try it for interview or something later on as well. Okay. If you click on presentation, you would see a screen like this in front of you. Now let's say if I have to deliver a presentation on, let's say the first topic itself. Okay, we were doing this first topic on, I'm working as a marketing manager at Airtel, and Jio has just launched Jio Cinema. So let us go ahead and do this, let me try a speech on that particular topic itself. Okay, so I'll click on start. Hello everyone, welcome all my bosses over here. My name is Aditya Goenka and I am working as a marketing manager at Airtel. I joined the company 1 year back and today I am delivering this particular presentation on Jio Cinema and its implication on Airtel's business. So last week we got to know that Jio has just launched Jio Cinema app, which seems to be a super hit in the market. Since the time it was launched, it has gotten great traction. There has been certain good, really good content on Jio Cinema as well, and majorly I feel that because of the pricing model which it has, stuck to, because of that, it has created a very, very huge impact in the market. And right now, we at Airtel, it is very, very important for us to analyze the situation regarding Jio Cinema and figure out what are the next steps for us so that we don't lose our share in the market. In fact, we can take away some learnings from Jio Cinema, implement it, and make our app, make our services even better for our audience. Okay, so guys, I gave this very random speech. Okay, now I'll click on save and view analysis. Once I do that, now what will happen? Udly will start to transcribe my speech. Okay, it will take some time and it will start to transcribe my entire speech. Now this will take some time. Okay, now once it has transcribed, it will start giving me certain analysis regarding the same, as we can see on the right hand side of my screen. Okay, guys, come on, I want all of you to focus on the right hand side of my screen. So if you go to coaching, okay, there is a few more AI speech coach comments are loading, so we'll visit this particular tab in some time. Talking about my strengths, so usually it tells me that my strength is you introduce yourself and the topic clearly and set the context effectively. So I did a nice job over there. Talking about my growth area, the introduction to your speech can be more engaging and structured. Try employing a hook, stating your purpose and reviewing your main points early on. Okay, so it is giving me an example regarding the same as well. Today, I will discuss how Jio Cinema's market success impacts Airtel and what steps we can take to remain competitive. Okay? Then, for example, you could begin with a thought-provoking question or a surprising fact related to Jio Cinema's impact on the market. Guys, what do you think? This is a very interesting observation by Yudli, right? It is telling me that instead of starting ki, hi guys, I am Aditya Goenka, this, that, etc. It is suggesting me that start with a very thought-provoking question or a surprising fact. Let's say if I would have started like, hello everyone, did you know that Jio Cinema, after being launched, last week, it has already gained, let's say, 1 million users on its app. Okay, I gave a very random example, guys, but you can in fact ask this particular, stats from maybe something like Perplexity and give a stat like this, and that could really hook your bosses onto the next couple of minutes that you are going to be delivering your presentation on. How many of you are absolutely mind blown by this very, very simple yet so effective suggestion given by Yudli over here? Mind blown. Okay, and then it is giving me more suggestions. We'll cover Jio Cinema's key strengths, analyze our current position and discuss strategic action, etc. Try to reduce filler words. It is telling me about that, etc. It is giving me a lot of suggestions regarding my growth area of my speech. Then talking about my follow-up questions. Okay, here are some follow-up questions you should be prepared for. If you think that this is a very apt follow-up question which your boss would have asked you if you were delivering this presentation, keep on typing in a yes for that. Okay. Follow-up question number 1: what specific features of Jio Cinema do you think have contributed most to its success? Guys, how many of you think that after delivering this presentation, 101% your boss would ask you a question like this? Question number 2: how does Jio Cinema's pricing model differ from Airtel's current offerings? Okay, and question number 3: what strategies do you propose for Airtel to compete with Jio Cinema effectively? 101%. I am sure that if my boss were to ask me, if I want to deliver a presentation like this, 101% my boss would ask me questions like this. Do you agree on this? Do you agree on this? Yes? Yes? Agree? Yes, 100%. So that way you can go to this particular presentation prepared with all of these follow-up questions also. Okay. Then talking about my demeanor, it is telling me I was professional and clear, and somewhat rushed and nervous as well. Like this means that I came across as consistently professional, consistently clear, but somewhat rushed, somewhat nervous as well. And it is giving me details regarding that. Talking about conciseness, it is telling me a concise way of delivering the exact same thing that I delivered. Jio Cinema has really good content and its pricing strategy has made a huge impact. At Airtel, we must analyze the situation with Jio Cinema to ensure that we don't lose market share. In fact, we can learn from Jio Cinema to improve our app and services for the audience. So this is a much more concise way of delivering exactly what I did. Okay. Apart from that, summary as well. This is the entire summary of whatever I told. Apart from that, I think we have covered everything when it comes to coaching. But apart from that, once you go to analytics, under word choice, if I go to repetition, I use 2% repetition words, nothing to flag. Less than 4% repetition words are very natural, so that is okay. Talking about weak words, I use 3% weak words, so nice job on that. It's natural to have fewer than 4% weak words on that as well. Okay. Talking about filler words, I used 9% filler words. 10 times I used 6 times I use like 2 times. So that is something, it is suggesting me try getting to 3% by pausing instead. Then talking about conciseness, overall you said 52% more than you needed to. Try getting to 30% instead. That is more standard. Okay. Talking about sentence starter, 20% of your sentences started with and at 35th second and at 46th second. That is why it is telling me that I could do better in that. Talking about delivery, eye contact, 79% of the times pretend your camera is your audience's eye. Okay. Talking about centering, I was perfectly centered. so no, that was completely fine. Talking about my pacing, I went at a pace of 188 words per minute. It is asking me to try speaking slower than 170 words per minute so that it is better for my audience. Then talking about pauses at all of these time stamps, I took certain pauses. I should have taken certain pauses. So it is telling me how I could do that better. So all of these insights of my around a minute speech, 1 minute 8 second speech which I delivered, all of these insights we got from Rudely in a matter of seconds, which a speech coach would have charged thousands to give this sorts of insights. Maybe the quality of insights would not have been so nice as what Udly has given us. How many of you are absolutely mind blown, and you feel very confident that you will be able to improve your communication skills with the help of a tool like Udly? Amazing. MB. Super. That is needed. It will surely help. MB. Super. Awesome. मजा आ गया? Best tool so far? चलो, super. Okay, if you like this tool, let's go to the next tool, guys. Okay, this was about Udly, how it could help us in improving our speech, improving our communication. Okay, moving on to the next tool. Guys, how many of you would want to talk to famous characters like Elon Musk or Albert Einstein or any of these famous characters? How many of you would want to talk to them and understand what goes on in their brains? Like if you ask a question to Elon Musk, he will always answer it thinking it about it from a first principles point of view. What is first principles? Breaking down everything into the simplest possible format. Okay, so he will always answer everything like that. Maybe the same case with Albert Einstein. So every such famous character has a different way via which they would respond to your questions. So do you want to know their thought process? What is their thought process? What is their thinking process? Do you want to understand that? Yes. How many of you would want to have the power to do that? Yes. That would be amazing, Aditya. Yes. Chalo. Okay, guys. I will show you how you can go about doing that as well. I'll show this towards the end of the session. Okay? I'll show this towards the end of the session. Alright? Okay? Done? Chalo. Alright. Let's move on to the next tool. Okay? Now, guys, I've been seeing a lot of questions. Aditya, is there any tool regarding coding? Is there any tool regarding coding, etc. Guys, how many of you, let's say if you're a coder, how many of you would love to have an AI tool that can help you write complicated codes, not just in one language, but in multiple languages, and that too in a matter of seconds? And even if you're a non-coder, let's say if you have not written a piece of code, let's say you belong from commerce background, arts background, completely non-tech background, and still this particular tool will help you with the power of writing codes. How many of you would like to have that particular power? Me, that would be awesome. Okay, so for both non-coders and coders, this particular tool will help you either improve your efficiency as a coder or will just simply help you write codes itself. Okay, so how do you go about doing that? What is the name of the tool that I'm talking about? I am talking about Bard or Gemini. Okay, guys, you can use Gemini, okay, in order to basically write any such code that you want to. How does it work? Let's see it with the help of a demo. So I'll simply go to gemini.google.com. Once I go over here, okay, I will ask any sort of coding related question that I want to ask. So let me copy this and paste it over here. Guys, like to people who belong from coding background, I'm sure you would know it already. Binary search, okay? To people who belong from non-coding background, let me tell you something. Binary search algorithm is one sort of an algorithm which is used in order to, let's say if there is a list of numbers, array of numbers, okay? If you have to find out a certain number in that particular, array, where is it present, whether it is present or not present, okay? There is a very famous algorithm which is the binary search algorithm. And in a lot of coding interviews, you are asked this sort of a question. Tell us about the logic for binary search, or write a code on binary search, etc. So what we'll do over here, we will try to write a Python code to do binary search and print for one test case as well using Gemini. Okay, so I enter this particular prompt and I'll simply enter submit over here, and I'll wait for a few seconds to see that the entire code in Python is written right in front of you. How many of you are absolutely mind blown to see that the entire piece of code is written right in front of you in a matter of seconds? To asking all my coder friends over here, guys, is this particular code absolutely correct? I know this is correct, but I want to confirm from you all. Yes? This is mind blowing. Yes, yes, absolutely correct. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, absolutely correct. Okay. Done. Now, guys, let us write. Let's say if you know Python, but you don't know R, you don't know other languages. You want to write the same piece of code. Okay, give me the same code in. Guys, tell me what other languages do you want this particular code in? Any language you want this code in? Java, okay. HTML, all right. C, okay. C++, all right. C hash, all right. HTML I have already written, no? JavaScript, chalo, all right. MongoDB, guys, okay. MongoDB. Anything else? Okay, I see a lot of, this thing, lot of input, React, PHP, CSS, VB, R, etc., etc. Okay, so let me just enter one more, which is R, and then you can try for other languages on your own as well. Okay? You can try for other languages in your own as well. Let me just hit a enter over here, and let's see how much time will it take. Okay, so here's the binary search implementation code in Java, ready for you in a matter of seconds. In C, okay, HTML isn't suitable for performing complex algorithms like binary search. It's primarily used for structuring and presenting web content. That is why it is telling that HTML is not suitable. Okay, talking about C, done. Talking about C++, done. Talking about C hash, done. Talking about JavaScript, done. Talking about MongoDB, it has given some information. However, you can use indexes, etc., etc. MongoDB is a NoSQL database, not a programming language. It's primarily used for storing and querying data. That is why it cannot be done here. Okay, talking about R, done. All of the, this particular binary search code in all of these languages done in a matter of seconds. How many of you are mind blown by this? Type in a 10x in the chat box if you think that this is a 10x way of writing codes. 10x, 10x, MB 10x, MB 10x, 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 10x to the power MB. What? Okay, all right, 10x, 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 10x. All right, super, super. Okay, so now guys, this is done. But guys, in the life of a coder, I have realized that the biggest problem in the life of a coder, to all my coder students, who work in tech companies and all, they keep telling me that the biggest problem in the life of a coder is that of debugging codes instead of writing codes. How many of you feel that debugging codes is one of the biggest challenges in the life of a coder, which takes, if not days, it takes hours, it takes, it could take a long time, hours or days or weeks in order to debug codes, and it becomes very, very frustrating and time consuming to do that. How would it be if there was an AI tool to help you debug your code as well? How would it be if there was an AI tool to debug your codes as well? Amazing. Amazing. It would make my life simple. Amazing. Yes. Yes. Please tell us. Yes. 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 Okay. Chalo. Let's see what is the tool that I am talking about. I am talking about blackbox.ai. How does blackbox.ai work? Let's again see it with the help of a demo. So I'll go to blackbox.ai. Okay. Now let me simply copy this Python code, because if we want to debug a code, we need a code, right? So I will copy this code. I go to Blackbox and I will simply paste it over here. Okay. I'll simply paste it over here, and then I'll tell, help me debug this code. Okay, I will enter something like this. Okay, I will enter something like this in Blackbox. Okay, and I pasted it. But guys, what is the one problem? What is the biggest problem which is there in this particular code? Okay, why wouldn't Blackbox be able to debug a code like this? Anyone? Anyone? Any idea on why won't Blackbox be able to debug a code like this? Any idea? Very basic. This is no coding thing that I'm asking. Just use basic thing that I'm asking. Why wouldn't it be able to debug? Absolutely, there is no bug in the code, right? There is no bug in the code itself. Okay, so please help me debug this code. What is bug? Bug is basically an error in a code. Okay, because this code was written by Gemini, there is no bug in the code, there is no error in the code. So what will we do? We will create an error in this code. Okay, we will create an error in this code. Okay, like this, I have created an error in this code. And now once I write, please help me debug this code and hit an enter. It will take a few seconds. It will take a few seconds to analyze this piece of code. And guys, type in boom in the chat box if you see that the code which you had basically gotten from Gemini black box has debugged that particular code and made it a correct code, left equal to mid plus 1, right equal to mid minus 1. It has given us a comment regarding that and an explanation. What are the changes that it has made? It has told us about that and it has given us the explanation regarding the same as well. Absolutely mind blown. Boom. Boom on the chat box. Come on, guys. I want the maximum amount of booms on the chat box if you are absolutely mind blown by this. Most amount of engagement in the chat box. Come on, guys. Guys, what do you think? Have we been able to, towards the beginning of this session, I asked you, I told you that, everything that we'll be teaching you, okay, you're spending 3 hours with us today. The 3.5 hours that you'll spend with us today will help you save 2 hours of your time on a every single day basis. Do you think with everything that we have taught you so far by, making PPTs via AI, writing codes with AI, debugging codes with AI, practicing your communication skills with the help of AI, then, basically finding out about newspapers and everything that we have taught you, content creation and everything, will you be easily be able to save 2 hours of your time every single day with everything that we have taught you so far? Yes, 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 yes. Absolutely awesome, amazing. Yes, 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 and more. Okay, 100%. Okay, if you think we have saved you already to us, guys, wait for it. We have even better, okay, even better things to show to you, which will save you even more time, which will make you even more productive, and which will heavily boost your productivity at your work. Okay, so this was about debugging. Okay, talking about next, guys. How many of you, okay, towards the beginning of this session, when I asked you guys that what is the one thing that almost every working professional has to do, besides presentations, there was one more thing that almost each and everyone told me about. Besides making presentations, almost each and everyone told me about. What was it? What was it? It was about working on Excel, about creating Excel reports, about doing data analysis in Microsoft Excel. How many of you agree that working on Excel is one thing that you do almost every time on a daily basis? That almost every day you work on Microsoft Excel. Yes? Yes? Agree? Agree. Yes? Okay. Guys, if you agree to it, how would it be if there was an AI tool, okay, which would, like, if you find right now it is very time consuming to do data. By the way, how many of you find it is very time consuming? Like, you work on Excel on a daily basis, you find it too time consuming to do data analysis and create detailed reports out of it every single day? Yes? Very time consuming. Correct? How many of you would like an AI tool to do this for you as well? An AI tool via which you would have created entire reports, do entire data analysis in a matter of seconds. Amazing. Chalo. Okay. Let's see it with the help of a demo. What is the tool that I'm talking about? I am talking about Claude.ai, which is trained on more data than ChatGPT, can be used for free. Google is an investor, and let's see the demo of this particular tool on how we can do data analysis with the help of AI. Okay. So guys, we go to Claude.ai. Now, once you go to Claude, there is this option of upload file. Okay. So I'll click over here and I will upload a CSV file. Okay. What is the CSV file I'm using? What is the file that I'm using? I am showing it to you guys right over here. Guys, can you see the Excel file, open on my screen? Can you all see it? Okay, so guys, this is an Excel file, which shows the stock prices, the share market prices of this particular stock called Asian Paints. Okay, Asian Paints ka stock prices for this entire year of 2023 in a form of an Excel file, as you can see on the screen. Okay, what was the open price that day? What was the high? What was the low? What was the previous close price? What was the close price? What was the 52-week high, 52-week low? What were the volumes? What is the value? What were the number of trades? All of it. Okay, you can see all of this data in this particular Excel file. Now guys, if you have to analyze this Excel file, how much time will it take you? If you have to analyze this Excel file and make a detailed report out of it, which you have to send to your boss, how much time will it take? 5 hours, days, 4 hours, whole day, 8 hours, a lot. It will take me 2-3 days, hours, days. Everyone is saying, almost everyone is saying that, if I have to analyze it and create a detailed report as well, it will take me a few hours or a few days as well. Okay, as people are saying. Guys, let's see. With the help of Claude, if we can reduce that time. Okay, if with the help of Claude, we can reduce that time. Okay, so I'll go to Claude. I have attached this. What will I ask Claude? I will ask Claude, analyze this Excel file and give me detailed insights about it. Okay. So I asked this from Claude, and let's see what happens. Okay, we'll wait for a few seconds. Guys, we will wait for a few seconds. As you can see, certain analysis. Okay, for the entire analysis, a code has been written by Claude automatically. I have not written this code. Okay, a code has been written automatically, and using that code, okay, using that code, all right, as you can see on the left hand side of your screen. Okay, as you can see on the left hand side. Okay, I think there has been some error. Okay, let me try fixing it. Okay, let me try fixing it, or we'll try it once again. Or else we'll try it once again. But guys, irrespective of whatever happens on the right hand side of the screen, can you see that on the left you have gotten key insights from the Asian Paint stock data. In fact, you have now gotten the graph for it as well, which was bugging earlier. Claude has automatically debugged it, and you can see the graph about it on the right hand side. The code regarding it also you can see. You can see the charts, and you can see the detailed insights. What were the price movements, trading activity, notable events, trading patterns. Okay, all of this you have gotten along with the charts for the same as well. How many of you are absolutely mind blown? Trading volume over time, the entire chart plotted for the same. Asian Paint stock price movement for the entire year plotted. Okay, it is plotted along with all the key insights. Mind blown. Okay, in fact, if you want more detailed insights, give me more detailed insights. Okay, you can ask something like this, and it will give you more detailed insights about the same as well. Okay, it will give you more detailed insights. Like, see, it is writing the code for the same. Now, then like basically it is analyzing it right now, and then it will give you all the points that it has analyzed. Let's wait for a few seconds regarding that. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds, and let's see what happens. Guys, done. Analysis done by Claude. Okay, more detailed insights. Price performance, it has given about that. Trading characteristics. That too, quarter-wise results it has given. What were the notable events? What was the market behavior? All of this analysis given. If you want something specifically, you can ask for that, and it will give you something specifically as well. If you want certain graphs, if you want certain analysis to be done, all of it will be done. Okay. Now, guys, you mentioned that you will take days in order to a few hours at least in order to analyze and create report out of it. We have analyzed it. Now let's make a report out of it as well. Okay, make me a report out of this analysis so that I can send it to my boss. My boss's name is, let's say, Mukesh Kumar. Okay, so let's ask something like this. Okay, we'll ask something like this, and you can see it has created a detailed report which you can simply copy. Okay, guys, which you can simply copy and send it to your boss. In fact, if you want to download, you can click over here, and the document will be downloaded for you as well. Okay, quarterly analysis it has given. It has given key performance metrics, executive summary, all of this analysis, significant developments, risk assessment, recommendation, best regards. If you add your name over here, it will add your name in this particular report itself. How many of you are absolutely mind-blown now? Because guys, via this single one tool, okay, you mentioned that minimum, I saw minimum, someone mentioned, a few hours they take in order to make this sort of an analysis and a report. Okay, some people mentioned that they will take a few days for the same as well. We have done all of this in under 1 minute. All of this in under 1 minute. आज नींद नहीं आएगी. You will have a very good sleep. Okay, it won't be that you won't be sleeping. You will have a very good sleep after basically learning everything that you have been learning so far. Okay, so this was about doing detailed analysis. Now guys, this is something you were able to do in a matter of seconds. Now, after this, guys, how many of you have been in situations where you you want to do a job change, you want to apply for a new job, or you want to basically change your job, and you see certain open position out there in any of the job portals. You apply for it and you know that you are a very apt person for this particular job, but still somehow you never get shortlisted for interviews. You send your resume but you never get shortlisted for interviews. How many of you have been in situations where you never get shortlisted for interviews, whether you are a good fit for the role or whether you are not a good fit, irrespective, you never get called for interviews? How many of you have been in situations like this? Big yes, many times. Har baar, every time, me. It happens mostly with me. I'm in that situation right now. Okay. To all the people who are saying, who are dropping in a me, it happens with me, etc., etc. Guys, let me try and show you a way via which you can bypass this. What is the tool that I'm talking about? Guys, for showing you this demo, okay, I will be using a tool that we have developed in-house. Do you want me to show you how to go about doing this with our in-house tool? Okay, with our in-house tool, basically the B10X GPT, I'm talking about the B10X GPT. This is a tool that we have created in-house, and I want to show the demonstration of this particular task that we have via the help of B10X GPT. Do you want to see that? Do you want to see it with the help of B10X GPT? Yes? Wow, super excited. Yes, that sounds very awesome, Aditya. Yes, awesome. Chal, okay, let's see. Okay? So guys, the major reason why you won't be getting called for interviews is that your resume is not ATS friendly. What does ATS mean? ATS means applicant tracking system. Okay? So your resume needs to be applicant tracking system or ATS friendly so that it can get shortlisted for the interview round. Most of the companies in the world have a ATS tracker. So if your resume is not ATS friendly, you won't get called for interviews because the system does not bypass your, basically your resume. And this is one of the biggest reasons. 99% people in the world don't even know about this ATS, ATS friendly resumes. But if simply you can make your resume ATS friendly, you will, the chances of you, I cannot say for 100%, but the chances of you getting shortlisted for interviews will 101% increase by 10x. Will 101% increase by 10x. Okay, so that is bound to happen. I can assure you about that. Now you might be wondering, Aditya, that sounds awesome, but how do I make my resume ATS friendly and what is the process for the same? Let's see it with the help of a demo. Okay, let's see it with the help of a demo. So guys, I have a sample resume. Okay, I have a sample resume with me, which I'll show to you guys right now. So guys, this is a very sample, very random resume. Okay, so once you go to this resume, okay, once you go to this resume, it's a long resume. Now if you have to make this ATS friendly, what will you need to do? Firstly, we will open B10X GPT. So I'll go to chat.b10x.ai. Okay, once I go to chat.b10x.ai, I will write something like this. Okay, I will write something like this. Below is my resume. Okay, then in double quotes, okay, I will, double quotes is by the way not necessary guys, I'm just doing it for sanity purpose so that it looks clean. Okay, below is the job description of the job I want to apply for. Okay, paste in the job description of the job you want to apply for. Then type in, may modify my resume to make it an ATS friendly resume. Okay, modify my resume to make it an ATS friendly resume for the above job I want to apply for. Guys, is everyone clear? I have not copy pasted the resume or the job description, but is everyone clear what I am trying to do over here? Below is my resume, below is the job description, modify my resume to make it an ATS friendly resume. Okay? So guys, what we'll do now, first step, we will go to my this resume, random resume. I will copy this entire resume, I will copy it and I will paste it over here. Okay? I will paste it over here. Now, what I'll do below is the job description I want to apply for. So, guys, I have figured out, I simply went to LinkedIn. Okay, I simply went to LinkedIn and look for prompt engineer jobs. Okay, look for prompt engineer jobs. You will find a lot of jobs out there in LinkedIn. Okay, choose any random job. Okay, choose any random job. Let me choose this random job. I will copy this entire job description. Okay, let me copy this entire job description and I will paste it over here. Okay, I will paste it over here. So guys, first step I have copy pasted the resume. Second step I have copy pasted the job description I want to apply for. Now modify my resume to make it an ATS friendly resume. Now what I'll do, I will hit an enter over here. Okay, I will hit an enter. Now guys, some magic will start happening on your screen. Okay, some magic will start happening in your screen. To make your resume ATS friendly and tailored to the prompt engineering role at Real, you should focus on using relevant keywords from the job description, structuring your resume in a clear and concise manner, and ensuring that your skills and expertise align closely with the job requirement. Here's a modified version of your resume. Okay, summary, then education, then skills, then certification, projects, key skills, relevant experience, data management, etc., additional information. Okay, and it has given explanation on what it has done by structuring your resume this way. It has used certain relevant keywords, clear sections, and relevant experience. This should help your resume pass through ATS systems more effectively, while also showcasing your relevance for the prompt engineer role at Real. How many of you feel that this is absolutely a mind-blowing trick, a magical trick which I have just showed to you, via which the chances of you getting shortlisted for interviews can increase by 10x? Type in a magic in the chat box if you feel that this is something really magical that would happen in your job hunting process. Magic, magic, magical, magic, 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 magic. Super, super, amazing.
From
Having zero knowledge in AI, so far what we have done, so far we have from having zero knowledge in AI, so far we have seen like how you can use AI, prompt engineering and ChatGPT among other AI tools. Let me just minimize, maximize. All right. Okay. So from currently we have gone from having zero knowledge on prompt engineering and AI to fundamentals of prompt engineering using ChatGPT and Perplexity that we saw in our first example. After that we learned how you can create any kind of presentation with good content and design in matter of seconds using AI. After that we studied how you can bypass any kind of paywall for research paper or newspaper and get all the knowledge in the world for absolutely free of cost. After that, we saw how you can summarize any sort of content and generating replies, how you can generate a LinkedIn post in matter of seconds using Merlin Chrome extension. We saw how you can generate AI generated images in matter of seconds using Canva. We saw how you can use AI as your speech coach to guide you and to train you to make you a super presenter. We saw how you can generate a code in any kind of language using AI in matter of seconds. Finally, we saw how you can debug existing code with AI. We saw how you can analyze Excel files and create detailed reports by using AI in just matter of minutes. And finally, we saw how you can create ATS friendly resumes so that your chances of getting selected in any job profile rise up exponentially. So now, folks, after learning all these things, my previous students have received their results, increased their productivity, but that's not it. That's not it, right? Now, do you actually understand how much potential AI has in your day-to-day tasks? Right now, do you truly understand what is potential of AI if you implement it for your day-to-day tasks? Yes. Right? Now, do you understand how AI can easily take over most of your work and how you can soon be out of job if you do not master it? By the way, folks, on a side note, how many people's work do you think you will be able to do by just learning this 10, 11 tools? From tomorrow onward, how many people's work will you be able to do by just learning these many tools? Right? You will be easily able to do 2, 3 people work single-handedly, right? Creating presentations, drafting replies, writing codes, whatever it might be, right? Yes. How many people's work? 3 people, 5 people's work, 10 people work, at least 2 people work. I'll be saving 90% of my time. Absolutely, right? Absolutely. This is happening around around us right now, right? And we just saw tip of the iceberg, right? We just saw tip of the iceberg and you feel so powerful, right? And there are more than 100, 200 AI tools which are replacing workers left, right and center. They are automating jobs. That's why we see news of layoffs day in and day out, right? So now do you understand why prompt engineers who have skill of talking to AI are getting paid upward of 39.3 lakh rupees in India? Prompt engineers are basically who can get best response out of this Perplexity, Claude, ChatGPT, among other AI tools. Now, do you understand why this job is so much highly paid? Now, do you understand why this job is so much highly in demand? Yes, yes, yes. Now, do you realize how important it is for you to master most in-demand technologies in order to not to just survive in the job market, but grow exponentially in your career and get that salary increment that you always wanted? Instead of getting a single-digit salary increment, would you like to have that 40%, 50%, 80% salary increment by like completely transforming your career by leveraging AI for each and everything? Yes, 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 yes. Simply by understanding 510 AI tools, you are feeling that you'll be able to do 510 people work single-handedly, right? Just imagine what is happening in industry right around us, right? Industry is has already started automating all the work possible, right? They are already releasing the workers, and we are seeing this right around us, right? In 2023, in 2024, in 2023, they have laid off left, right, and center. You can see Goldman Sachs laid off, right? JP Morgan laid off. Each and every top-notch company, they have laid off their employees. Just imagine what will happen in 2025, right? So not only small companies, but large corporates and MNCs, they have hired more than 2.6 lakh employees since 2023, and even startups, more than 150 startups have like fired employees and laid off employees, right? You can see no job profile is safe from AI, right? Coders and developers have lost their job, accounting and finance professionals have lost their job, marketers have lost their job, lawyers have lost their job. If doctors who do not use AI, they are going to lose their job, right? This is not me saying it; it is covered by many top-notch articles and top-notch firms, right? Lawyers and legal paraprofessionals are going to lose their job, right? If you feel like only like Aditya, no worries, I am vice president of my organization, I am director of my organization. Then, folks, there is a major Chinese gaming company who replaced their CEO with AI, and it is going out great for them. Just imagine if CEO can be replaced with AI, just imagine what will happen to our job profile, right? So that is happening right around us right now itself, right? So currently we are an entire generation of people who is working in jobs which are not going to exist without AI in upcoming 12 to 15 months. Does everyone agree with me? Whatever job profile that you are working on, or you are going to enter into market as a student, right? Do you think any job profile is going to be there without without implementation of AI? Every job profile is going to have some element of AI assigned to it. Whatever you are working on, Excel, Power BI, doesn't matter what technology you are working on, coding, data analysis, machine learning, doesn't matter what profile or what kind of thing that you are doing, you are going to be required to use AI for each and everything, right? You are going to be required to use AI for each and everything, right? So basically, if you try to compete with AI, you are going to lose. Why you are going to lose? Because AI is smarter, faster, and cheaper than you, right? If I want to create presentations, I can ask Gamma to create 100 presentations for me, and Gamma will create 100 presentations for me in just 1 hour. On the other hand, if I ask my business analyst to create this presentation, my business analyst will get 80,000 rupees per month salary, and he will only create like 2-3 presentations in a week, right? So here I have the AI tool, which is like absolutely 100 times cheaper, 100 times faster, and 100 times smarter than someone who is like working manually, right? So if you try to compete with AI, you are going to lose, but everything is not dark, right? Everything is not dark. If you try to work with AI, you are going to win, right? If you try to work with AI, if you leverage AI, if you implement AI for your day-to-day work, you are going to win. Why? Because AI is not replacing you. AI won't replace you directly. A person using AI will. Do you understand what I'm saying, right? AI is not going to replace you directly. A person using AI will, right? Basically, Gamma is not going to replace someone who is like creating PPTs, right? A person who is using Gamma to create PPTs is going to replace person who is not using Gamma to create PPTs, right? I'm not talking about Gamma. I'm talking about in general AI tools, right? So for each and every work, let's say you are someone who is required to create reports on day-to-day basis. If you have that AI tool power with you, you'll be able to work as much as 5-6 people, right? So easily your boss is going to replace 5-6 people, and he is going to give that extra additional salary or extra additional productivity reward to you in form of salary hike of 70-80%. That's why we are seeing some people are getting absolutely aggressive salary hikes in current job market, and some people are getting laid off, right? Now you must be having this question, Aditya, what kind of skills we should be mastering in order to get within the job market? So what kind of skills are there, right? So first of all, we need to understand what kind of skills can be and what kind of works can be done by AI, right? So if you learn and master ChatGPT, you can use ChatGPT, AI tools and prompt engineering for your day-to-day work, such as day-to-day work automation, whatever day-to-day work that you have, maybe email writing, maybe responding to someone. All of these things can be automated if you use and leverage AI for that. If you can use AI and ChatGPT for your research work, You can use prompt engineering, AI tools and ChatGPT for your PPT work. You can use it for Excel work. You can use it for coding and debugging. You can use it for management and team leadership. You can use it for writing and designing. And also, you can use it for your data analysis work as well. So if you use AI for all of this work, you'll be saving 95% of your time. And on top of that, you'll be increasing your quality of work significantly, right? Now, you must be wondering, like, Aditya, what kind of skills I should be mastering, what kind of tools I should be mastering in order to, like, get this massive hike in my career in 2025, right? So, as an organization, the most amount of money that we spend is on trainers, and second most amount of money that we spend is on the network of HRs that we have, right? We are communicating with vice president HRs in top-notch MNCs, right? We ask them what kind of skills you are going to require in 2025, what kind of skills you are going to require in 2026, right? And that's how we create our curriculum. That's how we train our students, right? So, who would like to know what kind of skills you should be mastering, what kind of technologies you should be get certified in order to get massive salary hike in 2025? Dropping me in the chat box. Dropping me in the chat box. Right? Me. Absolutely. Crazy energy, folks. Crazy energy. Alright? So, in order to stay relevant in 2025 and in order to get that massive salary hike, one most important tool is Excel, right? Excel was relevant in 1992. Excel is going to be relevant in 2025. Excel is going to be relevant in 2032 as well, right? As financial backbone and as backbone of every company's Excel, you need to master 60 plus advanced Excel formulas, which we have got from top-notch CEOs and top-notch vice president of the organization. We communicate with them. We ask them what kind of things are working in Excel, what kind of technology you are working in Excel, right? So you need to advance, you need to master 60 plus advanced formulas. You need to master pivot tables. You need to master 30 plus advanced data visualization. You need to master advanced functional tools, and you need to master macros and automations in Excel. And all of these things, if you use AI for that, you'll be 10 times faster and you'll be working 10 times more efficiently as compared to a person who is not using AI. Just imagine if there is some Excel user who is using Excel for past 5 years, he is an advanced Excel user, and you are someone who is certified in Excel using AI, you'll be working 10 times faster than that person, right? You will be easily getting more salary than that person, right? That's what is happening in job market right around us right now, right? Second thing which you need to master is basically basic to advanced of Power BI, how you can create AI-powered dashboard in Power BI, which is #1 business intelligence tool in the world. So how you can create interactive dashboard looking just like this in just 20 to 30 minutes by using AI, that you need to master. That is most one of the most in demand and one of the perpetual skills that you need to have in order to stay relevant in 2025 job market, right? After that, if you are aspiring someone to get promotion, if you are aspiring to become manager of your manager, then it is absolutely necessary for you to master how you can deliver PowerPoint presentation, how you can create PowerPoint presentation, and how you can make it in such a way that it should be engaging for your top-notch organization level, right? So that how you can create and deliver this presentation in a matter of 30 minutes, that also you need to master, right? And there is a saying, whenever there is a gold rush, do not go for finding gold, just sell shovels, right? Similarly, when everyone is building AI models, right? Mota Bhai, who was in selling oil, right? Currently he is saying data is the oil and he is entering into AI. Adani is entering into AI. All the top-notch businessmen in India and abroad, like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, everyone is entering into AI. Why? Because currently AI gold rush is happening, right? So all of this AI is trained on huge amount of data. And what is the best tool to handle all of this data? It is SQL, structured query language, right? So if you see in past few months, structured query language job openings have shot up, have skyrocketed by 20-30%, month-on-month basis. Not only that, they are getting paid 20-30% more as compared to what they used to get paid in 2024, 2023, and 2022, right? So that is what happening, and you need to master how you can use SQL using AI. This is what is going to be one of the most highly paid skill in 2025, right? So now, who would like to learn all of these things directly from us and become an AI-powered working professional and ultimately grow exponentially in your career? Drop in me in the chat box. Who would like to learn all of these skills which I mentioned directly from us, me, Goenka, and top 1% trainers in this whole world? I'm not talking about India. I'm talking about whole world, right? Top trainers from USA, top trainers from UK, whoever is top in this whole world, who would like to get mastered and certified from this and become a globally recognized AI-powered working professional? Who would like to have this magnitudes of leap? If you, with your permission, I have something to share with you. Should I share that something with you? Should I share something which can absolutely grow will help you in growing in your career? Should I help you, give you something which can give you 40% salary hike in guaranteed way? Yes. Absolutely love this, lovely energy, folks. All right. So, And on top of that, right, become a globally recognized Microsoft certified professional in Excel, in Power BI, in PowerPoint, among other things, and as well as data analysis as well, right? Not only getting certified from us, but from a globally recognized Microsoft certification as well. So if you want these things and if you want a guaranteed way of getting 40 to 50% salary hike in 2024, presenting to you our basic to advanced ChatGPT, basic to advanced prompt engineering, basic to advanced Power BI, SQL, Excel, Tableau, and PowerPoint masterclass. So this masterclass comes with a 100% guarantee, which I'll tell you about in some time. All right. So this masterclass, when you master all these skills, you'll be getting certified from our side, and you'll be becoming a globally certified Microsoft official. Right. After that, you'll be mastering most in-demand skills for this AI-driven future. And best part, there is no prior knowledge required. Right. There are many people who are currently student of first year, second year, they join our program. They get freelancing gigs. There are many sales professionals joining our program. They start their career in IT. It doesn't matter what kind of skill set that you have. You need zero prior knowledge to learn and to master all these skills. Why? Because AI is going to help you at each and every process, and it is going to make this learning journey 10 times easier as compared to what it was earlier. Right? Earlier, everything required prior knowledge. Why? Because there wasn't AI. Since this program, everything we are going to teach how you can do these things, how you can do PowerPoint, how you can do Tableau, how you can do SQL using AI. So that's why you won't be requiring any kind of prior knowledge, right? And as a part of this master program, I want my students to have best tools out there for themselves. So as a part of this master program, you will be getting premium GPT-4, right? As a part of this master program, for absolutely free, of course, not for one, not for two, but for whole 24 months, so that you will be using top-notch tools while you are gaining knowledge, right? So be it like GPT, it is basically based on GPT-4. You'll be getting access to this tool. We have fine-tuned it for our students so that you'll be using best tools while you are working, so that you'll be working 10 times faster, right? After that, as a part of this master program, you will be getting minimum salary hike of 40%. 97% of my students have achieved this salary hike within 4 months, right? I'm not talking about 1 year or something like that. Within 4 months, you'll be getting minimum of 40% salary hike. Why we are so confident? Because when everyone is like running in rat race, I'm giving you like something rocket, right? Where you are going to use AI and you are going to outperform everyone, right? So after joining this masterclass, you will be getting easily like minimum of 40% salary hike. And finally, as a part of this master program, you will be getting a high-paying job. What do we call a high-paying job? A job which pays more than 18 LPA without 100% guaranteed in-house job. How does it work? We have like thousands of our alumni working in top-notch MNCs, right? So whatever MNC that you can think of, I can 100% assure that one of my alumni is working at an MNC, right? We use their referral network to get our candidates placed. On top of that, whatever HR network that we have, whatever vice president that we have, they tell us like they ask like we have huge demand for this particular skill, and we get our students placed in these companies, right? So that's how our in-house job assistant, guaranteed in-house job assistants work. All right. So when you master and learn these skills, you will be getting placed in top-notch companies like Amazon, Google, Accenture, Meta with 20 LPA plus package. Like hundreds and hundreds of my students have been, right? So you can see like there are hundreds of my students who have got placed and who have gave their testimonial, and I'll be wanting a similar kind of testimonial from your side as well. So there are hundreds and hundreds of my students. You can see from my batch 156, there are more than 312 students who have got results and who have given their testimonial, right? So the part of master program, you will be getting this as well, right? So when you learn and implement whatever we are teaching in this master program, I'm so confident that you will be either getting 40% minimum salary appraisal with upgraded designation, right? Basically, your boss cannot just give you 40% salary appraisal and do not upgrade your designation. He needs to upgrade your designation as well. Let's say you are a junior manager, you will be becoming a manager. If you are an AVP, you will be becoming a vice president, like that. You will be getting minimum of 40% salary appraisal along with your upgraded designation in upcoming 4 months. Or if your company decides to give you that, you are going to get a better job with higher salary package than your current job in upcoming 4 months, right? This is my guarantee to you. And if this one of these two outcomes you do not get, I do not want your money at all, right? I do not want your money at all. I'll be 100% refunding your money if you do not get one of these two outcomes, right? And as a part of this master program, you are going to become a globally recognized Microsoft certified professional, right? You'll be becoming globally recognized Microsoft certified professional. Only one out of 40,000 people have this certification. Just imagine if you have this certification on your resume, what kind of recruiters will be chasing for you, right? You won't need to chase recruiters. So you'll be, as a part of this master program, you'll be getting this certified in Microsoft skills as well, right? So Now you must be asking like Aditya, what are components of this master program? How this master program is going to be delivered, right? This master program is going to be absolutely live, right? Right from me, Goenka, and top 1% trainers in this whole world, right? Right from Harvard professors, right from LinkedIn influencers who have made millions of followers, right from people who have been lead product managers in top-notch companies in USA. All of these trainers are going to train you on these skills completely live on weekends, right? Let's say you miss any kind of your live class, you are going to get recording of that live class in your LMS. Along with that, you are going to have multiple tools and softwares so that you'll be learning the best tools and you don't need to pay for that. And finally, you'll be getting 100% guarantee on your job and your or higher salary, right? So this is what this master program comes with. All right. So best part, you do not need any kind of prior knowledge. Whatever learning journey that you had so far, or you don't have any background, do not worry about that. You do not need any kind of prior knowledge or experience or background in order to master all of these skills and in order to get certified and in order to get these kind of outcomes for yourself, right? Now you must be asking that who is this master program for, right? If you are someone, if you are a working professional who is wanting to get 18 LPA plus job in upcoming 2 months guaranteed way, then this master program is absolutely for you. If you are a working professional who wants to get minimum 40% of salary appraisal in current company with better than this master program is absolutely for you. Folks, tell me honestly, who has received less than 50%, 15% salary appraisal in last season? Drop in me in the chat box if you are someone who has received less than 15% salary appraisal in last season. Me. Here, right? Folks, if you have received less than 15% salary appraisal in last season, right? Let me tell you something. You have lost your salary, right? According to RBI, the food inflation among other relevant inflation which are required to you, the food inflation is more than 8%, right? 8 to 12%, right? So you are basically decreasing your salary. That's why cost of living is increasing. That's why living is becoming more and more difficult. So that's why you need minimum of 40% appraisal. That's why you need to shake up your career, right? And if you don't upskill yourself, you haven't upskilled yourself since you got the job. I feel like this is the case with most of you, right? Who hasn't upskilled themselves after getting a job? That was someone me, right? I was someone who didn't upskill for significant amount of time. I was stagnated in my career. After that, I started upskilling myself each and every single day. I saw that results. Saw those results for myself, right? If you're a working professional who is wanting to get minimum 40% salary appraisal, current company better than this master program is for you. If you're a student or a fresher who is wanting to get 10 plus LPA jobs at beginning of your career, then this master program is for you. And finally, if you're anyone who is looking to get a guaranteed job assistance program which can provide you minimum of 18 LPA jobs via our recruiter network, then this master program is absolutely for you, right? So now you must be asking what is covered in this master program. So I would like to invite Aditya to explain what is covered in this master program, how it is so revolutionary that everyone is getting results.
Okay guys, perfect. Hope you all can see my screen. Guys, as Kachave mentioned, this particular masterclass is for freshers.
Aditya, can you please share your screen once?
Yeah, it's shared.
No, it's not shared.
Guys, hope you all can see my screen. Yes? Get a yes in the chat box if that's the case. Yes? Chalo. Done. So guys, this particular masterclass, as Kachave mentioned, is for freshers, is for working professionals, is for anyone who is looking to shift their jobs as well with a minimum 18 LPA plus package or with a minimum 40% salary hike. Now, talking about why are we so confident, how are we so confident about this particular masterclass? Because of the sort of content that we have prepared for you guys. So what does it mean? So guys, in this particular program, we teach you everything right from basics to advanced on the most important skills which are required for you to be able to grow exponentially in your career. What do I mean? So in the program, we firstly start off with the ChatGPT and AI, basically the AI and prompt engineering program. Now in this particular ChatGPT AI prompt engineering program, we start off with module number 1, which is basically how to talk to AI, the A to Z of prompt engineering. Okay. Now guys, why is this important? Because not according to me, according to the World Economic Forum, prompt engineering will be the highest paying AI job according to the World Economic Forum. And that is why it is so important for us to learn it. So in the first module, we'll be learning everything about prompt engineering, explain prompt framework, prompt priming, prompt iteration, teach me prompt, ask for advice prompt, write like me prompts, advanced prompt engineering, all of this in the first module. And as I was telling you, it is the highest paying AI job according to the World Economic Forum. Let me show you a screenshot regarding the same as well. Just go to Google and search for average salary of prompt engineer. Okay, just go to Google and search for prompt engineering salary. Guys, this is what you will be getting. The average salary for a prompt engineer in India is around 39.3 lakhs per year. The average salary of prompt engineers, okay, with a range of 15.3 lakhs to 154.9, basically 1.55 CR. Okay, mid-level prompt engineers can earn this, etc. So basically, the point being, average salary of prompt engineers is 39.3 LP in India. In the US, this particular average salary is that of 2 crores, okay, of around 2.2 crores. So that is why learning prompt engineering has become so important. And our students, after learning prompt engineering, they, people like Gaurav Sisodia, people like Ramnath, people like Darshan, people like Anju, they have gotten jobs in the field of prompt engineering after doing this first module on prompt engineering itself. Once we do this, we'll be going to the second module, which is all about the world of day-to-day office work using AI to be completely AI-proof from your office. Why is this important? Because guys, every work that you do in your office can be automated with the help of AI. Now, how do you go about doing that? That is exactly what you'll learn in the second module. We'll learn how to integrate AI in our work to work 10 times faster every single day. We'll be learning how to use AI for workflow automation, for summarizing text and information, for using AI for data analysis, for using AI for speech and presentation, for setting up auto AI email responder, for basically being able to review and improve our teamwork as well. So all of this in the second module. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to the third module, which is all about the world of research work, project work, and client work using AI to ensure the highest quality of work for our clients. Okay, so we'll be able to generate research ideas for our clients. We'll be able to do fact checks, information curation, validation of information, discussion initiator, market research using AI, competitor analysis using AI, product details analysis using AI, understanding your exact target audience persona as well, all with the help of AI. We'll be learning in the third module. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to the fourth module. In the fourth module, guys, we will learn that one skill that no college, no school, no one in the world would have taught you. What am I talking about? I am talking about the art of salary negotiation. Yes, guys, in the fourth module, we'll be learning about the art of salary negotiation. What is the fourth module? It is the module on job hunting to get a 40% salary hike using AI. Okay, so we'll use AI to get hidden job opportunities that no job portal in the world, like no LinkedIn, basically Monster, Indeed, what is it? All of these basically job portals which are there, no job portal in the world would show you the sort of opportunities that you can do with the help of AI in order to find the hidden job opportunities. How do you go about doing that? How do you go about doing the advanced job search? How do you create irresistible resumes? How to prepare for job interviews? How to create ATS friendly resumes? How to negotiate your salary? How to apply, bulk apply to opening with personalized resume? How to determine your extra market worth? How to network the right way? Very, very, very important skills. Just knowing these skills which I have shown you, can easily get you a 15%, 20% salary hike. That is why fourth module, very, very important. We'll be learning all about that in the fourth module. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to the fifth module, which is coding using AI. But coding using AI, Aditya, is something that you taught us today also. Guys, I taught you just the very basics of coding using AI. In this particular fifth module, you'll be learning how to code using AI to build no-code applications like B10X GPT. Guys, how many of you found B10X GPT to be absolutely amazing? Right? We build that in-house. Okay, so how you can create a tool like B10X GPT, how you can basically create no-code applications for your office members, so that everyone in your office is reliant on you. They come to you if they have any problem, and basically you can make tools and applications for them to not just reduce your own work, to basically help everyone else in the office. Imagine the kind of impact you will have in front of your peers once you can create an application which your entire office is using. That is a sort of thing that you'll be learning in the fifth module. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to the sixth module, which is building a side hustle using AI to earn a second income source for yourself. Now, guys, in this particular century, after basically the launch of ChatGPT, AI, all of this thing happening since the end of 2022, I can tell you that no job in the world is safe. Okay, because of any macroeconomic condition, anything happens in the world, it could not be your fault. Maybe you are one of the best employees in the company, but what if your company is not doing well? What if your company has to lay off? Okay, go and look for a company called Chegg, CHEGG, in the US. They lost their entire market cap from a few $billion to zero. They had to lay off their entire workforce. So were there were their employees responsible for the layoff? It was not the case. It could be because of any macroeconomic condition, and it is very possible in this AI driven world. So in order to safeguard our interest, it is very, very, very important for all of us in order to build an extra income source for ourselves. And how do we go about doing that? With the help of the sixth module, in which we'll learn how we can start a side hustle of our own in order to generate that second income source. Once we do this, guys, we can call ourselves a true ChatGPT AI prompt engineering expert. In fact, our students, with the help of this particular, the first, skill of AI and prompt engineering, people like Nisha Singh, okay, they have resumed, she has resumed her career after a gap of 6 years and received 4 offer letters of 20 LPA plus. This is what Nisha has been able to do. Okay, talking about Anshul Deshmukh, from 8% salary hike. Guys, how many of you receive a general 8% salary hike every single year? Okay, 5%, 8%, 10%. Guys, this is the rate of inflation in India. As Kachave was mentioning, this is the rate of inflation. So actually, you're not earning anything extra every single year if you're getting a generic 8%, 7%, 5%, 10%, 15% salary hike. Okay, you really need to increase your salary hike, and that is what Anshul was able to do, from 8% salary hike in previous company to job switch in Amazon with 120% hike at a salary of 42 LPA. Okay, that is what Anshul has been able to do with the help of this skill. Talking about Yash Reddy, shifted from sales to a tech career with 180% salary hike. Okay, talking about Sritej Waghela, 3 job offers of 12 LPA, 16 LPA and 18.2 LPA even as a fresher he was able to get. Talking about Akhilesh Singh, automated his business using AI and is now making 80% more profits than before. So this is what people have been able to do and actually become true ChatGPT AI prompt engineering expert. In fact, you'll be getting badges for the same as well, as a ChatGPT AI expert, as a prompt engineering expert, which you can attach in your LinkedIn as well. Okay, once we do this, guys, we'll be moving on to skill number 2, very, very, very important, which is used by, this particular software is used by 1.5 billion people every single day. What is the software I am talking about? I am talking about Microsoft Excel. But will we learn, normal Microsoft Excel, which almost every Tom, Dick and Harry knows in your office or everyone in the world? No, guys, we are gonna be learning Microsoft Excel with the help of AI. Yes, guys, so we'll be learning everything with the help of AI. So Excel, you'll become a 10x Excel expert with the help of AI. How will we go about it? The first thing that we'll be learning for this skill number 2, Excel, we'll be learning all about the world of basic to advanced formulas mastery. Okay, we'll be learning all of those advanced formulas like management formulas, array formulas, fill formulas, forecasting formulas, financial formulas, lookup formulas, indirect formulas, statistical formulas, correlation, what if formulas, aggregate formulas, and array formulas, unique formula, concatenate formula. All of these advanced formulas, which are very, very important in our day-to-day working, we'll be learning all about that with the help of AI. Then we'll be moving on to becoming a data visualization expert, so as to not just plot those normal bar chart, pie chart, column chart, etc. Let's move a top, a level ahead. Why so? Because that bar chart, column chart, pie chart, everyone in your office is already doing that. Slope chart, dumbbell chart, and all of these advanced data visualizations to create a very good impression in front of your bosses and in front of your colleagues as well. After we do this, we'll be learning all about the world of pivot tables. Why so? Because pivot tables is one of the most important things in order to do data. It's the only way to do data analysis inside Microsoft Excel. Okay, so we'll be learning all about the world of pivot tables. After that, we'll be moving on to the world of Office 365. Guys, why is this particular module so important? Because Office 365, 68% of Fortune 500 companies, the best 500 companies in the world, out of that, 2/3 out of that, or 68% of that, have already shifted to Office 365. Why so? Because a recent study says that Office 365 gives a productivity boost of 720% compared to other offices, other previous Microsoft Office versions. So every company in the world, be it a startup, be it a MNC, be it a corporate of any size, if not now, in a couple of months, they will be shifting to Office 365 only because of this 720% productivity boost. And because they will be shifting to Office 365, they will be expecting each and every employee in their company to be knowing Office 365, to either learn Office 365 or get replaced by someone who knows Office 365, because it is the AI enabled version of Office 3 of Microsoft Office. So very, very important to learn it, and that is why we'll be teaching you all about it in the 10th module. After this, we'll be moving on to VBA's macros and automation with the help of AI. Now, guys, this particular module, I can assure you, no one in the world would teach you something like this. VBA macros and automation with the help of AI. I can guarantee you that it will help you reduce 4 to 5 hours of your daily work into just 15 minutes in a guaranteed manner. Okay, this is my guarantee. This is Arthur Goenka's guarantee. You can reduce 4 to 5 hours of your daily work into just 15 minutes in a guaranteed manner once you learn how to use VBA's macros and automation, that too not just the normal way, with the help of AI. Okay, this is what we'll be doing. Via these modules, guys, our students have been able to reduce the average time they have been spending on Excel from 27 hours per month to 14 hours per month, saving them 17.5 days every single year. As you can see, Vansh, like our masterclass member, has been able to complete his task in just 20 minutes. The task which he would take hours or days in order to do, just in 20 minutes he was able to do that. Custom Excel reports you will be able to make in 14 minutes, as Amir has been able to do. Okay, from 3 hours to 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, this particular module skill of Excel using AI has helped our students get better salary hike in just 3 weeks of learning the program. Okay, AI and automation did up to 65% of total work without any manual intervention. So all of these results people have been able to achieve, and also get certified as an Excel expert, a basic to advanced Microsoft Excel using AI expert. You will be getting a badge as a Excel specialist. In fact, you can also get certified as a Microsoft Office specialist Excel expert, one of the highest level of certifications which you can get as a working professional. Imagine the kind of impact this will have on your resume. Less than 10,000 people in the entire world have this sort of a certification which you can get as an Excel expert. Okay, once we do this, we'll be moving on to skill number 3. What is skill number 3? It is one of the best softwares which Microsoft has created. Guys, Excel is not the best software which Microsoft has created. Power BI is. Okay, Power BI is one of the best softwares which Microsoft has created. Okay, why so? Because Power BI helps you convert boring looking raw data in Microsoft Excel or any other platform into beautiful looking interactive dashboards. Beautiful looking interactive dashboard where, let's say, if you click somewhere on a dashboard, all the things in the dashboard will get changed to according to what you have clicked on. So everything in Power BI, is interactive and is very beautiful to look at. And bosses, believe me, guys, all bosses in the world, all managers in the world, absolutely love looking at dashboards. That is what you will, you'll learn in this 12th and 13th module. Right from basics, no tech background, no experience needed on Power BI. Right from installation to figuring out how to connect data sources, everything. Right from basics till advanced Power BI, where you will be learning how to create AI-powered dashboards as well. Okay, pie charts, donut charts, tree map chart, bubble maps, all of these advanced visualizations along with creating AI-powered dashboards. Okay, in the 12th and 13th module. Very important that you learn this. Bosses absolutely love this. Once you do this, our students have been able to get amazing results. Like Pranshu, his boss was super happy once he was able to create a dashboard, as we taught him. Then talking about Sakshi, she built this today, and she got a job in Capgemini as an analyst. She was an HR manager earlier. Okay, from a job as an HR manager to getting a job as an analyst in Capgemini, she was able to do that. Then talking about Shraddha Nahar, she got a 23% salary appraisal in just a few weeks after starting the program. Okay, and we are guaranteeing you guys 40% salary appraisal. So she was able to increase her salary appraisal from 9% to 23%, and we'll make it 40% plus for her, and this is something she was able to do with the help of the Power BI module. And guys, the number of jobs in Power BI has increased significantly. Jobs of 15 LPA to 25 LPA are very common in Power BI right now, and our students like Mohammed Akram, he got a job in a big MNC as a senior program manager with 65% hike. He was able to do that because of his skills which he was able to showcase in his interview, the Power BI skills which he gained in the program. Okay, so this is about Power BI. You will be getting, in fact, certified as a Power BI expert. You'll be getting a badge for the same. In fact, you can get certified as a Microsoft Certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate, one of the highest level of certifications you can achieve as a working professional. Once we do this, guys, we'll be moving on to skill number 4. Very important. It is the art of creating beautiful looking presentations. How do you go about doing that? So we'll be learning that in the 14th and 15th module. Again, right from basics to creating basic looking PowerPoint presentation to advanced looking PowerPoint presentations, that too with the help of AI. Once you start integrating AI to make your PowerPoint presentations, that too in your office format with all the research and everything, you will be able to create beautiful looking PowerPoint presentation, and that too in under 15 minutes. Okay, that is what we'll be learning in the 14th and 15th module. Via this, our students have been like, Shubhi, she like, a few days back she mentioned that yesterday I went to with incomplete PPT to my boss. After this, I was able to finish this in 10 minutes and mailed him. Okay, then Aman Shah, he has written a long review about it. Then hi, with the help of with your help, I got good job opportunities. I got shortlisted in Accenture, and now I am placed in Bosch Bangalore. Thank you so much, sir. So this is what our students have been able to achieve, and once you learn both of these, you will be getting certified as a PowerPoint expert. You'll be getting a badge for the same. In fact, you can get certified as a Microsoft Office Specialist PowerPoint Associate as well. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to skill number 5. Again, very important, because data is the new oil, and data management, that is why it becomes so important. Okay, data is the new oil. We need to learn everything about the world of data management, because recruiters and companies across India, across the world, are ready to pay very heavily. Okay, talk about Nvidia, guys. Nvidia is one of the biggest companies in the world right now. Okay, and what are they playing with? They are playing with the world of data. Okay, they have so much amount of data, and they are looking for data managers left, right, and center. Okay, I have my friends in the US. I know that Nvidia is hiring data managers left, right, and center. So in order to manage a company's data very well, you need to know SQL very well, and that is what you can see on the screen. 16th and 17th module, we'll be learning SQL right from basics, no prior knowledge required, to advanced SQL with database management powers. We'll be learning in 16th and 17th module to call ourselves a true SQL expert, and in fact get a badge and a Microsoft certification on the same as well. So all of these, guys, all of these 17 learnings you will be getting in one single masterclass, which will make you a certified ChatGPT and AI tools expert, a certified Power BI expert, a certified SQL expert, a certified Excel expert, a certified PowerPoint expert as well. And not just certified by us, certified by Microsoft as a Microsoft Global certified person. One of the highest level of certifications that you can achieve as a working professional, which will be recognized across the world, not just recognized in India, will be recognized across the world, so that you can apply for job opportunities across the world. Okay, and these 17 learnings in one single masterclass, guys, do you think just me and Kachavi will be teaching you everything? That is not the case. We have gotten, apart from us, we have gotten the best of the best trainers, not just from India, from across the world. Okay, so Kachavi will be one of your mentors, I will be one of your mentors. Apart from that, Mr. Stephen Klein, okay, who is a founder and CEO at Curiosity.ai from the US, okay, who is a lecturer at UC Berkeley and has been a lecturer at Harvard Business School as well. He will be one of your mentors. Ruben Hassid, one of the topmost LinkedIn, AI voice on LinkedIn, okay, and the founder of Gen AI, who is an international keynote speaker as well. He will be one of your mentors. Dr. Keith Newton, he will be one of your mentors to teach you prompt and generative AI engineer. Okay, talking about Ishan Tiwari, he has previously worked at Facebook, then he joined Google, and right now he has switched back to Facebook, a data science lead over there. He will be teaching you. Then we have Lata ji, who is a top AI researcher from IIT Bombay. She will be teaching you. Sharad Anand, a Microsoft certified trainer, he'll be teaching you. Uttam, Yogesh, and a lot more trainers who are absolutely the best in the class. They will be teaching you everything that we have to offer. Now, guys, if you think that this is like any other masterclass, any other course, I'll be given a login ID access and I have to watch it on my own pace, which I never would, guys, that is not the case. In this masterclass, we will be teaching you, okay, we will be teaching you completely live. Yes, guys, in this masterclass, we will be teaching you, me, the other mentors out there, which I just showed you, we'll be teaching you completely live, just like today's workshop itself. Okay, guys, did you like today's workshop? Did you like the format of today's workshop? Yes, amazing, loved it. Yes, super. So that is exactly how you will be learning in the masterclass as well. Okay, live, just like today's workshop, from the best of the best mentors on weekends for best possible experience of your life. Along with it, I know that it is not possible for you to attend every session live. You might miss certain sessions, and you might have work sometime. You might have to go out somewhere. So all the live session recordings of all the live sessions will also be made available to you in your dashboard, so that you can watch at your own pace with absolute convenience. convenience. Okay, so live session for best experience. If you happen to miss it, you will be getting recordings of the live sessions as well. Okay, along with it, you will be what you'll be needing to do. You will just be needing to spend 180 minutes or 3 hours a week to get the best possible results in your life in the fastest way possible. Okay, 3 hours a week for the next 120 days. That is what is needed from you in order to complete this masterclass. How many of you can actually go ahead and do that? I am talking to all the serious people over there who are actually looking to do something significant in their career. I'm not talking to people who will be lazing around, and I don't even want you in the masterclass. I don't want lazy people who don't want to attend classes or anything like that. If you want to get results, if you join the masterclass and then basically don't do anything about it, I can't help you get results. You will need to spend 3 hours a week in order to get results. Some certain times you might be busy, and that all I understand, and we'll help you our best in order to make you complete the program. If not in 4 months, then maybe in few extra weeks we'll be providing you all of that support. But we need people who are serious about career growth. If you're serious, I'll ensure you that you get the best possible results in your life. Okay, so 3 hours a week to get the best possible results in the next 120 days. Along with it, guys, you will be having practical doubt solving sessions 5 times every single week. Okay, 5 times every single week you will be having practical live doubt solving sessions. This is completely optional. Whenever you have doubts throughout the week, you will be having live doubt solving sessions. You can simply go to the session, ask your doubt from the mentor, and get personal guidance regarding the same. And this is something that you'll be getting for 52 weeks, continuously for 52 weeks. Now guys, this is the official promise of 52 weeks. People who joined my masterclass 2 years, 2.5 years, 3 years back, they are still getting all the live sessions, all 5 live session access they are getting. Okay, so they are still getting that, and I will ensure that you guys get it as well. Just on paper, I have to keep it for 52 weeks itself. Okay? Besides this, you will be getting 24/7 into 365 days ka lifetime access to all live lessons and live session recordings as well. Besides this, you will be getting lifetime updates to all the advancements, because AI is progressing at a very rapid pace. The world of technology is moving very fast, so very important that you get all the updates. And how will you get that? In this particular program itself, so that you get all relevant updates for which are very relevant for your career growth. Besides this, you will be getting best-in-class support in the industry with a dedicated VIP WhatsApp number. Besides the 5 live doubt solving sessions and everything, we'll be providing you with a VIP WhatsApp number as well for best-in-class support. Besides this, you will be getting certified as an AI-powered working professional directly by us, and also as a Microsoft certified global expert in a guaranteed manner. Guys, only the top 0.003% people, not in India, top 0.003% people in the world have this sort of a certification. You will be able to get that post the masterclass. Imagine the kind of impact it will have on your resume. Imagine once you start applying to companies with the help of that resume, or you are there in your present office and you're going for a hike with that sort of a resume. Imagine the sort of impact you will be able to create. Okay, along with it, you will be getting 100% job or a higher salary assistance. That is a guarantee from our side. Or if you are not able to get that, you will be getting 100% money back. Okay, either a high paying job than your current job, or a minimum 40% hike than your current salary, or we do not want your money at all. 100% money back if you do not get any of the above results. Okay, that too within the next 4 months. Besides that, guys, this particular program you will be learning, as I mentioned, from the top 1% mentors in the world. And because we are providing you all of this completely live from the top 1%, we are providing you personal guidance, 5 doubt solving sessions, and all of this best experience which no one in the industry provides. This particular masterclass, we will be able to accept a total cohort of 50 people only. Guys, we are building a cohort of 50 people only, whom will be providing all of this personal guidance and all of these benefits to. And you can be one out of this 50 people who will be accepted in our cohort. Now guys, in this masterclass also, besides everything that I have mentioned to you, okay, we are adding, it's a special surprise, we are also adding 7 high value premium bonuses. What does these bonuses are? Like, I'll tell you about it, but there are 7 high value premium bonuses which I have kept for you guys. But this is something, guys, which costs us real money. Like, we have to actually do a lot of investment in order to provide you these 7 high value premium bonuses. That is why, in order to provide these bonuses, we cannot give it to all 50 people. So what does it mean? This bonuses, these 7 high value premium bonuses will be provided to 30 early bird people only. These 30 early bird people will be, will be helping you extra to get a salary appraisal or a higher job package faster than anyone else, faster than everyone else. How will you be able to do that? By the help of these 7 high value premium bonuses. And guys, the last time we opened the seats for our masterclass 2 months back, okay, all 30 early bird slots got sold out within 9 minutes of sharing the link. Okay? Within 9 minutes of sharing the link, all 30 early bird slots got sold out. Out of the 30 early bird slots got sold out in 9 minutes. And the only people who were able to get in were the fast action takers, as you can see on this particular screenshot as well. Okay, this is a screenshot by our team member. 9 seats, it's booked in a minute, 13 seats. So you can see, this is the time we opened the slots on, and within 9 minutes, okay, within 9 minutes, all 30 early bird slots were gone. So if you are someone who wants to be a part, ensure that you are among the fast action taker. Now you might be wondering, Aditya, what is so special about these 7 high premium value bonuses that, like people, took all the seats in 9 minutes? So guys, let me reveal all of these bonuses for you all. What is bonus number 1? It is the premium GPT-4 subscription, the access to B10X GPT, the GPT-4 subscription, which is connected to the internet. Yes guys, premium GPT-4 connected to the internet. If you go and try to purchase this from the market, let me just show it to you. I'll refresh this in front of you. If you try and go and buy premium GPT-4 from the market, it will cost you $20 every single month. Okay, you will be getting premium GPT-4 access directly by us for completely free of cost. Not for 1 month, not for 2 months, not for 10 months or anything like that. You will be getting free access to it for 24 months in total. Okay, so saving you $20 per month into 24 months, basically $480 or approximately 40,000 rupees. That is saving you 40,000 rupees just from bonus number 1. And this is something guys you will 100% need. I know that you will need it, if not now, 2 months down the line. So I'm providing you free access to it as a part of the program itself for the first 30 people. Besides this comes bonus number 2. Again, only for the first 30 people. It is the 36 industrial projects that we have prepared for you guys. Now guys, you will of course be getting learning projects in the program that is available for everyone. But besides that, I want to go a step further and prepare you with the help of industrial projects, which happens in companies like actual companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Adobe, Uber, Wakefit, Paytm, Atlassian. All of these companies, actual projects which are happening over there, we will be providing you with industrial projects, 36 such industrial projects as a part of bonus number 2. You will be getting that. But again guys, these are very expensive bonuses for us. That is why we cannot give it to everyone. We can only and only provide it to the first 30 people. Besides this comes bonus number 3, which is guys, a very premium course, which is the data analytics and data science using AI mastery. Again, I'm not talking about a recorded course which you can go ahead and watch anytime, which you want. I'm talking about a live course. Yes guys, live data analytics and data science using AI mastery taught by the top 1% trainers to help you get high paying job as a data analyst or as a data scientist and become among the top 1% of the working professionals in the world. Okay guys, I'll show you something. Okay, I'll show you something. Just go to Upgrad and search for the data science and AI program. Okay, if you look for the price of this particular program, the price of this particular program is, let me just show it to you. It is rupees 2,99,000 rupees. And besides that also, they are asking you to invest an additional $40 for Gen AI tool subscription. They are not even providing you the sort of bonuses that we are providing. And this particular program is priced at 2,99,000. Now the data science and AI program, we sell it out in the market. I am sure that some of you would have already seen ads about it as well. We sell it at a price point of rupees 37,000. But for the people of this program, we are rolling out this particular program as well for completely free for the first 30 people. Besides it comes bonus number 4, which is, by the way guys, in data science and AI program, you'll be learning all about the world of AI-driven data analytics ascension, AI-driven data visualization, predictive analytics, automating data reports, automating data-driven decision making with the help of AI, practical applications of AI in data science. All of the best learnings you will be getting as a part of bonus number 3. Once you do this, we'll be moving on to bonus number 4, which is, guys, besides all the skills which Kachave mentioned about the skill of AI and prompt engineering, about the skill of Excel, Power BI, SQL, and PowerPoint. There is one more skill which HRs have recently started telling us about, which is very, very important for people to grow in their career. What is that skill? It is the skill of using Python. Okay, so even if you know basic Python, it is very, very essential for you in your career growth journey. That is why we have added it as bonus number 4, where you'll be learning everything about basics to advanced Python masterclass. Okay, even if you have zero prior knowledge about it, to help you work smarter and faster in your organization. And that too, not just basic Python, Python along with the help of AI, right from scratch. This is a program worth rupees 12,000, and it will be taught to you by Mr. David Gladson, who is an IIT Madras alumni and a chief AI scientist at top companies in the world. You can go ahead and check his profile as well. He will be teaching you all about the world of basics of Python, Python fundamental for data science, to machine learning with the help of Python as well. This is bonus number 4. Again, you'll be getting it for free as a part of first 30 early bird seats. Then comes bonus number 5, which is one of our most advanced course. Okay, what if I have zero knowledge on Python? Absolutely okay. You don't need absolutely any knowledge on Python. Then comes bonus number 5, one of our most advanced course. What is it? It is all about the world of generative AI mastery. Yes, guys, we are going to be teaching you generative AI mastery as well, live. Okay, live we'll be teaching you one of our most advanced program. It will teach you all about the world of how you can build your own LLMs. Like we built our own LLM, so you can build LLMs for your company. Imagine, like, the power of building LLMs for your company. Your company would, I'm 100% sure, they would be searching left, right, and center for people, who can build LLMs for them. They would be looking for organizations to do that. But it is very, very expensive. But how about you learn the power of doing that? How to train your own LLM? This is what you'll be teaching. We'll be teaching to you in this bonus number 5, and also you'll be learning all about the world of AI wealth generation. And Mr. Shaumadeep Shah will be teaching you all about it, who's a top AI researcher from the Indian Statistical Institute. This is a bonus worth rupees 41,000. Again, Kajave and I were discussing about it yesterday itself, whether we should give it or not. But then we decided for only the early bird seats, we'll offer it to it only and only for this particular batch. Okay, only for this batch, early bird seats as a part of first 30, you'll be getting this bonus number 5 as well. Then comes bonus number 6, which is, guys, I already talked a bit about it, which is the side hustle. The side hustle business mastermind. Now, guys, why is this mastermind important? Because this is a 3-day mastermind which will help you to earn money using skills and create a second income source for yourself while you stay at your job without showing your face on camera. I already told you the importance of it. You can't trust your job in this particular AI-driven century. You need to have at least 2 sources of income for yourself. And how do you go about doing that? With the help of this particular 3-day mastermind, which is worth rupees 20,000. Via this mastermind, guys, it's a live mastermind that we conduct. Via this mastermind, our students like Ashish Kumar, who is an IT professional, okay, started, doing work as a Power BI developer and earned $116,000 in 6 months after joining the masterclass. Talking about Riddhi Gupta, who used to run an offline business, she earned $7,100 in 6 months being an Excel consultant, an Excel using AI consultant. Okay, talking about Harshit Singh, he was able to just earn 34,000 rupees in 2 months, but being a student, it was a lot for him, and he was able to do that with the help of this particular side hustle business launchpad. Besides this, guys, talking about myself, talking about me, talking about Kachave, we have been able to do a bit, I would say a bit in the world of business ourselves, and like, this is not to boast about ourselves or anything like that, but by the age of 26 and 28, we have been able to do a revenue of 2,60,29,344 from just one of our businesses in the last 30 days itself. Okay, I'll just show it to you. In the last month, in the last 30 days, we have done this revenue of 2,60 lakhs, and just from one of our businesses. Not to boast about myself or about Kajave or anything like that. This is just to show you that there is a completely different world of freelancing, a completely different world of consultancy, which you are not even aware about. If you start diving deep into this particular world of consultancy, freelancing, you will be able to. I'm not asking you to make crores of rupees every single month. But can you make that additional 1 lakh rupees, additional 2 lakh rupees every single month apart from your salary? So if you can do that, imagine the kind of impact it will have, on your day-to-day living, on the kind of, savings you are able to do, on the kind of investments you are able to do, on the kind of, luxury that you will be able to achieve. So that is something that you can do with this world of freelancing, and that is what we'll be teaching you as a part of bonus number 6. After this comes bonus number 7, one of my most favorite bonuses. Guys, how many of you have seen this particular article in Bloomberg that high-speed traders made $7 billion in Indian options market boom, and just 1% of retail traders made profits of over 1 lakh. Over 90% of small traders lost money in futures and options. Even if you have not seen this particular article, let me tell you something more about it. Normal traders are losing money in the market. This is what it means. But high-speed traders, basically traders who are using AI, okay, traders and investors who are using AI, they are being able to make a lot of money out of it. Guys, how many of you want us to teach you a skill via which you can do trading and investing in the world of stock market, in the world of Indian stock market with the help of AI? How many of you really want something like this? I want the biggest yes in the chat box because this is a very, very special bonus. Okay, this is exactly what bonus number 7 is all about. The all-paid 4-day financial freedom accelerator program to help you learn stock trading and investing along with your job and learn strategies that make 33% annualized returns. Okay, this is a program which we conduct along with someone who holds a triple crown in the world of finance and someone who's an ex-hedge fund trader and has managed 1,500 crores in wealth. Okay, so along with me, these two people would be joining and we'll be conducting the all-paid 4-day financial freedom, which is an invite on the call, and you'll be getting access to this as well as a part of bonus number 7. So all of these 7 high-value premium bonuses to the 30 early bird seats only. Okay, and people who have attended our masterclass like Sandhya Dole, she has been able to get 180% salary hike in 40 days at the age of 43. And our Rakesh Babu got 425 LPA plus job offers in 2 months at the age of 39. Then Aruna was able to get a promotion as a VP of her company after joining the masterclass. Chandan Mishra was able to switch his career at the age of 26 and is now making 16 LPA after joining the masterclass. Average rating of 4.9 with people like Mayank Garg who have gotten 30% salary hike and became a senior digital marketing manager. We have people who have gotten job in Canada. Madan Raj, new job with 100% salary hike. Then we have people like Anish Shukla who got a 2x salary jump. Then we have people like Anmol Arora who got a 63% salary hike. Then we have people like Hemant S who got a 72% salary hike. Anju got a 1.5x salary jump. Then Sanjeev Gupta got a 57% salary jump. Then we have more and more people in the masterclass. Like Rajshekhar Raj got a 44% salary hike. Arvind Bhavsar got a 102% salary hike. Okay, so all of these people, as you can see right there in front of your screen, and we have helped them get high-paying jobs in companies like Amazon, Google, Accenture, Meta, Infosys, Sony, Capgemini, Goldman Sachs, Microsoft, KPMG, Deloitte, Infosys, and the list goes on and on. And in this masterclass, once you learn and implement, you will either get a minimum 40% salary appraisal within the next 4 months, and guys, our students get an average of 47% salary hike, or you get a higher salary package than your current job within the next 4 months, or you get your 100% money back guaranteed, as you can see over here on this part of your screen as well. Okay, our students have gotten 52% salary hike, 100% salary hike, 40% salary hike of more than 2x, got promotion, got a 30% salary hike. Like this, we have 300 plus success stories of our last batch people itself, and we would be expecting the same from you once you complete the masterclass as well. Now guys, at this point of time, I have given you all details about the ChatGPT, AI and prompt engineering, Power BI, SQL, Excel and PowerPoint live coaching program, which is guaranteed to get you results, basically a 40% salary hike or a better paying job, or you do not pay at all. And in this masterclass, you will be getting all 17 lifetime learnings with all the bonuses as you can see on the screen. So now guys, you might be wondering what is the value, what is the investment that you need to make in order to be a part of this masterclass. So guys, the total value of this particular program comes out to be rupees 2,59,340. If you add everything up, it comes out to be rupees 2,59,340 rupees. So basically, what is the investment that you need to do? What is the investment that you need to do in order to be a part of this particular masterclass? The normal investment for this particular masterclass is that of rupees 2,59,340 rupees plus GST. And guys, this is a price which is much less compared to go to any any platform in the industry. Go to Upgrade. The price of data science and AI program is that of rupees 2,99,000 rupees. Go to Scalar, the price of their program is rupees 3,69,000 rupees. Okay, go to Ematicus, the price is 1,98,000 rupees. Okay, go to Simply Learn, the price is 1,74,000 rupees, but they are not giving any of the bonuses that we are giving. Okay, so we, along with all of these bonuses, the price has come to rupees 2,59,340, so that you do not have to pay anything extra. And this is the normal investment that our students do who come from outside India, who are not attending this particular workshop workshop from people outside India, as you can see on the screenshot as well. Okay, we every day, like this is a very short screenshot of just our PayPal account. Our Razorpay account has all of the major payments, and you can see the payments that are coming in from David Bilt, from Adiolu, from Liam James, from Callum Smith, and they are paying us a total of $3,100, basically an investment of rupees 2,59,340 to be a part of this program. But this is for a normal investment for people outside the workshop. For people who are attending this particular workshop live, I have an absolutely amazing offer for you all, an absolutely crazy offer for you all. I want all of you to type in a 10x in the chat box if you want a 10x offer from my side, which will completely blow your mind. And guys, at this point of time, I want at least 500 plus 10x's in the chat box if you want me to reveal a 10x offer for you all. 10x, 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 10x. Superb. I love this energy in the chat box. I love the sort of excitement in the chat box. So guys, the 10x offer from my side, the price of normal price of 2,59,340 is not there for you. It's for people outside India. For people who are attending this particular workshop live, the price is not 2,59,340, but for the first 30 seats only, for the first 30 early bird seats only, you will be getting this entire program at just a price point of rupees 28,700, guys. At just a price point of rupees 28,700 plus GST, you'll be getting the entire program. That too, you do not have to pay everything right now. We are providing you a no-cost installment. Basically, you just need to pay 4,100 rupees in order to be a part of the program, in order to book your seat, and the remaining you can pay over the next 6 months. Okay, so 28,700 split across 7 monthly no-cost installment, which comes out to be 4,100 rupees per month. So what do you need to do in order to do it right now? Go ahead and make a payment of just rupees 4,100. My team member has already shared the payment link with you guys in the chat box, so you can go ahead and make your registration for the booking fee. Once you are done, type booking done so that I know that you are done and you are a part of the first 30 people. Guys, last time, every time in fact we open, our seats run out in the first 9 minutes itself. Okay, so you can go ahead and register and be a part of it. I already see a couple of people like Ananya Reddy has registered. Congratulations and welcome to the program. Arav Singh has registered. Congratulations. Devika Menon, congratulations. Rahul Perumal, congratulations and welcome to the program. You all are super quick. So 4 slots are already gone. I have 26 more slots remaining. You can go ahead and be a part of it. And yes, guys, you will be getting all 17 lifetime learnings. Plus, you'll be getting premium GPT Plus subscription for 2 years. You'll be getting the 36 industrial projects. You'll be getting the data analytics and data science using AI Mastery program, the certified basic to advanced Python mastery, the generative AI mastery program, the side hustle business launchpad, and the 4-day financial freedom accelerator as well. All of these live programs or live masterminds which will be conducted for you are already a part of the program. Okay, I see Priya Kumari, Fatima Sheikh, Kunal Boro, Arushi Sonkar. Congratulations, guys. Welcome to the program. You all have been super quick, and right now I have 14 slots already gone. Okay guys, 14 slots already gone. I have 16 more slots remaining. Shiva Kumar K, congratulations and welcome to the clan. Shrestha Bansal, congratulations, welcome to the clan. Rekha Thirumalai, congratulations, welcome to the clan. Zara Ali, congratulations, welcome to the clan. Nikhil Thapa, congratulations, welcome to the clan. Harpreet Kaur, congratulations, welcome to the clan. Prema Bhutia, congratulations, welcome to the clan. Pooja SP, you are asking, did you get mine? I'm not sure about it. Let me see. Guys, you will be, once you have made the payment, you will be getting a confirmation mail from our team. You would have gotten a confirmation mail automatically. Okay? Will I get a GST invoice? Absolutely, guys. You will be getting a GST invoice. So if you have a GST number, you can go ahead and claim your GST back as well. I'm looking for a job change from sales. Would this help? Absolutely, guys. If you're looking for a job, like this particular program is irrespective of your profession. You could be an engineer, you could be from sales, you could be an IT person, you could be from marketing, you could be from HR, you could be having a government job, you could be having, basically any sort of job in the world. AI is there coming for each and everyone. You could be a doctor, you could be from pharmacy, you could be from anywhere. AI is coming for each and every job in the world, but it is not coming to replace each and every job. It is coming to assist each and every job, and that is why it is very important for us that whatever job we are doing, we should equip ourselves with AI, and that is exactly what we'll be able to do from this program. In fact, let me show. I guess in our last batch also we have people who transitioned from sales. Okay. Okay, so we have Vamsi Chinna, guys. Guys, Vamsi Chinna transitioned my job from sales to data science, got salary hike and much better work environment. Okay, so we have Vamsi Chinna. We have a lot of people who have been able to do that. As a fresher, yes, guys, even as a fresher, you will be we have people like that as well. Okay, so VPA Shankar itself, as a fresher, I got data analyst job after the course. Thank you so much, Aditya. Then, started my career as a fresher at 16 LPA salary. Guys, as a fresher at 16 LPA salary, never believe that non-tier 1 student, even without being a non-tier 1 student, okay, Omkar Jadhav was able to get start his career with a 16 LPA plus salary. And you can, guys, look at it, like, you can be from any department, you can be from any age as well. Okay, you could be a 16-year-old, you could be a 25-year-old, you could be a 35-year-old, you could be in your 40s, you could be in your 50s, you could be in your 60s, you could be in your 70s. This masterclass has whatever we have designed, it is made for each and every single person. You won't feel left out that like my age is 45, will I be able to learn in the masterclass? That is not the case. We have designed everything very carefully that anyone, even if you don't have any tech background, you will be able to learn everything in the masterclass right from scratch without thinking about it, without getting lost in the thing. And even if you get lost, let's say if you miss out on a couple of sessions, we will be assisting you personally in helping you complete your journey over there. Okay, and guys, I would be expecting this sort of a form fill up from you as well as soon as you complete the masterclass, whatever results you get. Okay, see guys, Nitin Shakle, new job offer with 60% hike at my age. At 54 years, Nitin got a 60% salary hike. I have gotten the salary hike by 52%. The most important, it changed my mindset. Okay, salary hike of more than 2x and appreciation from both colleague and manager. So this is something that
Just folks, imagine one thing. If you get 2x your salary hike, right? If you 2x your salary, how much that salary will be? How much that salary will be? Drop in the chat box. If you 2x your salary, how much that will be? Right? As a part of my master program, many students have done that. So if you 2x your salary, how much that will be? 42 LPA, 18 LPA, 35 LPA, 68 LPA, 17 LPA, 18 LPA. So are you committed? Are you committed to get this 2x salary hike for yourself? Are you committed to get this salary hike for yourself? Yes.
Come on, guys, that commitment, that dedication is what is required. Okay, you should actually be able to achieve dream it. Yes, guys, whoever has made the payment, okay, whoever has made the payment, CA Nishant Kumar, and whoever has made it, I can't read everyone's name. I'm like my messages are getting lost because of the number of comments that we are getting in the chat box. But people who have paid, congratulations and welcome to the masterclass. You would have already gotten a confirmation about it. And Charan Sai, your question is very valid. I want to know. I have gotten the confirmation mail, but I want to know whether I am in the first 30. Guys, as soon as the first 30 slots are gone, automatically my team will disable the payment link. Okay, so do not worry about it. If you are being able to make the payment right now and complete your booking, you will be among the first 30 people itself.
All right. Sir, I have night shift. Can I get it? So first of all, if you feel night shift is going to stop you, if you feel like you're like whatever limiting beliefs that are going to stop you, then you are going to get that mediocre salary what you have been getting, right? You need to take away that 45 to 50 minutes each and every single day for upcoming 4 months in order to shake up your career, right? So if you just sit and think about it, nothing is going to happen. But if you work on that, I can promise you with 100% money back guarantee that you are going to get those results. All right? Are we in the 36? Let me ask my team member. Let me see. So folks, we have 23 slots for only 7 slots for, and all the links are going to be disabled. Alright?
Payment link not working. Guys, if payment link is not working for you, what I'll do, I'll ask my team member to share an alternative payment link. If the previous one is not working for you, you would have gotten an alternative payment link. You can use that in order to make the booking fee as well. And guys, I want all of you, whoever has already taken an action, drop in an action taken if you have already taken the action. If I sign up now, then will I be in the first 30? Absolutely. 23 slots as Kachave mentioned. Right now is 24. Okay, 24 are gone. Last 6 slots remaining. So if you're someone who wants to be a part of it, you can go ahead and book your seat right now itself.
Absolutely. So folks, what was the salary hike that you received last year? What was the, I want in percentage. What was the salary hike that you received last year? 9%, 8%, 11%, 14%, 12%, 10%, 8%, 4%, 15%,
0%, 3%, 12%. As I told you, retail inflation in India is around 8 to 12%. You are losing your money each and every single month. Can you imagine like losing your money each and every single month? Can you build that retirement corpus for yourself? Can you shake up your things? Can you fulfill your dreams? If you are like not increasing but decreasing what amount of money that you are getting? If you are committed for upcoming 4 months, if you give me 40 minutes a day for upcoming 4 months, that you are going to get guaranteed results, right? So I have not kept any kind of hesitation for you. If I am not able to give you guaranteed results, then I don't want your money at all. I'm going to give you 100% money back, right? So this win-win scenario. But if you are lazy, if you don't want to take action, if you don't want to like complete the models, do not think about even coming to the masterclass, because this is only for like people who want to shake up their career, right? So if you are here, then we can target that 40%, we can target that 60%, we can target that 80%, right? Instead of breaking that cycle of 5%, 6%, 12% salary hike. Who is absolutely committed to do that? Drop in me in the chat box if you are absolutely committed to break up that cycle of mediocre single-digit salary hike and get that 40%, 60% salary hike for yourself. Drop in me in the chat box if you are absolutely committed to do that.
Come on, guys. We want the biggest amount of energy in the chat box right now. If you're really committed to break this particular cycle of mediocre salary hikes. Committed. 100% Aditya. I will 100% do this. Yes.
Absolutely. So folks, update from my team, 27 slots are gone. 27 slots are gone.
What time the sessions would be happening? It would be happening on weekends, post office hours only. Okay? Now guys, I have an amazing person who is a part of the masterclass, and I had no idea that this person would be attending the session right now. But I have a person named Komal who is attending the masterclass right now, and I want to just share a screenshot of what just she typed in with everyone. Okay, let me just take a screenshot of it. Okay, let me just take a screenshot. Okay, so Shiva Kumar is asking when will the masterclass start? We'll be having the introductory call, introducing you into the program, coming Tuesday itself. Okay, so coming Tuesday we'll be having the introductory call where we'll be introducing you into the program, and the next the weekend after that we'll be starting off with the program. Okay? Okay, let me show you all the screenshot. Guys, can you all see Komal's message? Can you all see it? Can I get a yes in the chat box if you all can see it? Yes. Okay, chalo, done. So guys, this is Komal's message. I am your earlier masterclass member, February 2024. I was working with a lower package earlier, but after joining your class, I learned a few skills, SQL and Tableau, not even completed full course. Meanwhile, I got 5 job offers and was able to get a 170% salary hike within 2.5 months. My previous package was 7 LPA, but now my package is 19 LPA. Guys, 170% salary hike. Very big thank you. I am again joining to get the AI course as it was not there when I had joined. First of all, Komal, a very big congratulations. From 7 LPA to 19 LPA, you have been able to do it. Point number 2, since you are already a part of our masterclass, at that point of time we did not have the lifetime updates feature, but we are giving it to you for free. Okay, so please do not register for the masterclass once again. You will be getting the AI courses as well added in your thing itself. Okay, you will be getting all the live sessions and everything about it. You do not need to pay separately for it, as you are a part of lifetime updates to the program. Okay? Super. Now for people, whose payment, certain times the link is not clickable in Zoom. So if you want to scan this particular QR code in order to make the booking fee, you can go ahead and do that as well. Okay? Scan this particular QR code and it will redirect you, you will be able to complete your booking via that. How do I share my payment receipt? You do not need to do that. Don't worry about it. Once you make the payment, you would have already gotten a confirmation email. In fact, you will be getting a confirmation WhatsApp message as well. So mostly you would have received it. Even if you have not received it, you will be getting it in the next couple of hours itself. Okay? You will be getting it in the next couple of hours itself, a confirmation message which will add you to a separate WhatsApp group as well. Okay? It will be a separate WhatsApp group for our masterclass community members.
Okay, folks, give me 2 hours. In 2 hours, you are going to get that confirmation. A lot many names I have skipped. I'm really sorry for that. If I have skipped your name, you'll be getting confirmation on mail or either on WhatsApp, or my team will reach out to you. Okay?
Great, congratulations, guys. Right now we have 20. Wait, just a second. we have 29 slots gone. Okay, last one slot remaining, guys. You can go ahead and register and be a part of it. We have the last one slot remaining only. Okay, last one slot remaining. Is it over? No, it is not over. Last one slot remaining. You can go ahead and make the payment. Type in a done once you have made the payment. Okay, guys. Besides this, I see a couple of people asking whether you will help us in our interviews, etc., etc. Guys, let me be upfront and clear about it. We were gonna be revealing this bonus itself. This is a part of our bonus number 8. Okay, what is bonus number 8? Bonus number 8, guys, is that you will be getting the complete interview resume and communication masterclass as well. Okay, complete interview cracking, resume cracking, and communication masterclass to help you get your dream job with a 20 LPA plus salary in top MNCs worth 17,500. Now, guys, communication skills is something very, very important. Interview skills is something very, very important, and building a good resume, of course, is very important if you want to get a salary hike, if you want to get that exponential career growth in your career. So getting that exponential career growth, these 3 masterclasses is very, very important, given to you for free as a part of bonus number 8. Okay, as a part of bonus number 8 for the early bird seats, for the first 30 early bird seats, you will be getting that as well. Okay, besides that, you will also, in this masterclass, guys, you will not be just learning one skill or 2 skill or anything like that. Okay, you will be learning one skill, which is the prompt engineering skill, and just via this particular skill, you can get an average of 39.3 LPA per salary. As a prompt engineer, the average salary of prompt engineer is that of 39.3 LPA. So you will be learning about that. You will get to learn the skills that can easily get you a 18 LPA plus job in India. That is one skill. Besides this, you will be learning the skill of Excel. You will be learning the skill of Power BI. You will be learning the skill of SQL. You will be learning the skill of PowerPoint. You will be learning the skill of Python. So all of these skills are very, very high-paying skills. And you can see, as a Power BI developer, you can expect salaries of 20-25 LPA. As an SQL developer, 20-44 LPA. And the number of jobs which are offering these sort of salaries are continuously increasing with time. Outside India, prompt engineers are getting an average salary of 2 crores in the US. Okay, so this is what is happening, and all of these top skills you are learning in one single masterclass itself. Okay, in one single masterclass itself, you are learning all of this. Now, guys, I want to ask a very honest question. Okay, I want to ask a very honest question to all of you. Guys, who over here has invested their time in learning and upskilling themselves post their time after they got their first job? Anyone who has invested their time, in upskilling themselves after they got their first job? I know that not a lot of people would have done that. I see a lot of no's filled with no's that I have not, no, not done. And I see a couple of me's as well. Okay, I see a couple of me's. Now, guys, people who have not invested their time or money in learning or upskilling themselves, guys, tell me, how do you expect to get 40% salary hike every single year? Why will your company give you salary hike if your skill sets are exactly the same? Does it make complete sense to you? Can I get a make sense MS in the chat box if it makes complete sense to you? That if you're not upskilling yourself, if you're not upgrading your skills, why will your company offer you the extra salary hike which you have been dreaming of? MS. Can you share payment link in WhatsApp? I guess payment link would already be there in WhatsApp. You can go ahead and check the group and use it from there also. Okay? Make sense? So it is not possible for you to get that extra salary hike without actually upskilling yourself. Okay, and once you learn these best of the best career skills in the world, like AI, prompt engineering, MS Excel, Power BI, SQL, PowerPoint, Python, interview, resume, communication, all of these masterclasses in one single masterclass, I guarantee you guys that in the next 4 months itself, you will easily be able to double your salary package. Okay, easily be able to double your salary package. So now, guys, you have 2 choices right there in front of you. The first choice, of course, is something that you have been doing and you can continue to do that you decide to take no action about it. Let luck decide the path of your career. Just keep, basically imagining of that one day where you will actually be getting that 40% salary. Or you can go ahead and take things in your control. Decide how you want your career growth to look like. Whether you want it to be a linear graph or whether you want it to be an exponential graph. The thing is completely in your hand. The decision is completely in your hand. And you should have the power to decide how you want it to look like. Okay, so guys, at this point of time, we have almost shared all the details and all the details are right there in front of the screen. If you're someone who wants to register, how many slots remaining? Wait. Guys, we have the last slot gone. Okay, so all 30 slots gone. Congratulations, all 30 of you who have registered. The early bird slots are gone. Right now, we have the remaining total 50 seats were there. 30 early bird slots gone. We have 20 remaining seats. You will be getting the entire masterclass at this price itself. Just that the bonuses will not be applicable to you. You will be getting the live coaching program as a part of the remaining 20 seats. If someone wants to register, you can go ahead and register. Last 20 slots remaining for the live coaching program, but without the bonuses. Okay, you can go ahead and register. Type in it that once you are done with that. Okay, now the early bird slots are gone. Okay, QR code, yeah, QR code we have already shown to you. Okay, let me show it once again. Yeah, this is the QR code in order to make the payment.
Sir, what are timing for the masterclass? So mastery program is going to happen live every weekend, Saturday, Sunday, after 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. If you miss any of the class, you'll be getting recording of the class in your learning management system. Rest of the weekdays, all the 5 weekdays, you'll be having doubt classes. So it doesn't matter on which day you doubt you have, you can join the doubt class and you can get your doubts solved from top 1% faculties in India, and you'll be getting learning from top 1% faculties all across the globe. Like faculties from Harvard, faculties from Walter, all these faculties are going to teach you along with me and Goenka. Alright?
Guys, I'm seeing a lot of messages in the chat box. Sir, early bird slots, please extend. Is there any option to register for the early bird slot? Guys, I told you earlier also that the early bird slots run out very, very fast. We already have 30 slots gone. So, Rajavi, what shall we do?
Let's ask, like, I see lot many people saying that payment is getting failed, they want to register, payment is getting failed, like this. So folks, with your permission, I've seen like more than 8 people whose payment is getting failed again and again. With your permission, can I extend this opportunity to 5 more people? If all the people who have registered, if you give me permission, only then I'm going to extend it to 5 more people so that they can join your batch. Okay?
Guys, do we have
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So folks, thanks a lot for being kind. So folks, whoever's payment was getting failed, I'm extending it to 5 more slots and we are going to have batch of 35. Not more than that, okay? Because at the end of the day, we have to get you results. Other than that, like, there is no way around, okay? I must say, will this be helpful for me? Absolutely. There are many CAs who have used in their practice, who have got the result out of it. And just imagine, you are CA, like you use Excel and data analytics all day, and if you learn data analytics in here, what kind of impact is going to have in your career? If you are a marketer, then we have lot many marketers who started their career at 10 LPA, 12 LPA salary. Why? Because they were able to leverage AI for it, and they were able to do 10 times more work as compared to normal marketers. Each and every job profile, doesn't matter what kind of job profile you are from, legal, paralegal, doctor, marketers, IT professional, data analysts, cloud engineers, all of you guys, everything is going to get impacted by AI, and we have covered all of these foundational models and foundational things so that everyone's profile is going to, your profile is going to be top notch, and you will be getting that aggressive salary hike and aggressive career growth in 2025 and 2026 as well. All right?
So kindly have the timings of classes in morning hour. Like that is not possible. We'll be having the classes in fixed timings itself as we promised to you. But as I mentioned, after every live session, the recording of the live session will be indexed in your LMS. You can go ahead with that. So whatever evening sessions you can attend, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, you can watch the recordings of the live session as well. Okay, so that we make it completely fair to each and everyone.
How many doubt session will be there? Doubt session every day. Whatever doubt you have, you will be having doubt session in the evening. You can join that doubt session, get your doubts cleared. Because at the end of the day, with this win-win scenario, when you join the mastery program, right? Either you get upskilled to a certain level and you get guaranteed 40% salary hike, or you get refund, right? It's win-win. So it is. I don't want you to have any kind of excuse, right? So that's why I have kept doubt session each and every single day so that you will be getting your doubts solved. But I do not want lazy people. If you do not want to take action and come tomorrow like Aditya, I don't want. I just want to sit back and relax. I just have suggestion for it. No, you have to take action. You have to work for it. That makes sense. Like you have to at least work for 1 hour a day. Like on weekends and on weekdays, like you need to clear your doubt for 15 minutes at least in order to get the result. That makes sense. It is not like you are going to do 0 effort, right? So I have seen commitment from you guys, but I am committed to give you results, right? Against that. Is everyone clear with that? Yes. Absolutely.
Super. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Now, besides this, guys, do you want more bonuses? How many of you want more bonuses? To people who have registered, who are on the brink of registering, they are thinking whether I should register. Guys, we have made it a absolutely a no-brainer offer for you all. Okay, you work in the program. You we'll ensure, we are guaranteeing you results. If you do not get results of minimum 40% salary hike or a better high-paying job than your current job, we'll be offering you 100% money back. Okay, so we are making it a no-brainer. Along with that, we have offered you bonuses which we could have easily asked you to pay for. Okay, we could have told you that pay this for this bonus, pay this for this bonus. So we are making it a no-brainer offer for you. But for anyone who is in the brink of registration, okay, do you want more bonuses? Do you want more bonuses? How many of you want more bonuses? More bonuses already.
Just because you guys were kind for those like people who are getting payment fed, so I have like this special bonus for only you guys. All right.
Okay, perfect. So guys, whoever registers in and is a part of the first 35, okay, what are the more bonuses for you? You will be getting as a part of which number bonus is this? I guess this is bonus number 9. As a part of bonus number 9, you will be getting the complete ChatGPT prompt bundle having over 3,264 prompts to use AI for any department you are working in. Now, guys, why is this so important? Now, I know that this does not sound like a lot. It's a prompt bundle itself. But guys, believe me, from tomorrow onward itself, once you start using this prompt bundle, the way that you have been working on with the help of AI, that will be completely revolutionized. Okay, you will have ready-made prompts which you can use, which will get your work done. Okay, and guys, try making a ChatGPT prompt bundle of your own of 3,200 prompts. It will take you, if not a year or so, it will take you at least a few months in order to do so. So we have done a lot of effort towards this. We have taken a lot of effort towards building this, and you will be getting this as a part of bonus number 9 for all the early bird seats. Then comes one more bonus. Okay, one more bonus. You, as a part of bonus 10, you will be learning basic to advanced Tableau masterclass as well. This is also something which recruiters have started telling us recently, that Tableau is also a skill which recruiters are looking for. Our HR network has started telling us, so we have added Tableau masterclass as well. As I promised to you, lifetime updates, so you don't need to pay for any of this thing again. Tableau masterclass added to the program itself, so that you do not have to pay anything extra or anything for that. Okay, why is Tableau important? Because it will help you forecast and predict your company's KPI, which is very, very powerful. Having this particular skill is very, very powerful. So you'll be learning all about Tableau in this particular, I think, just ignore this. It's a Tableau masterclass that you are getting as a part of bonus number 10. Okay. Besides this is bonus number 11. That is not it, guys. There's a bonus 11 as well, via which we'll teach you how you can build a personal brand of your own to help you get multiple job offers. Okay. Multiple job offers to build your personal brand. Why is this so important? Because having a personal brand can actually help you, recruiters will start reaching out to you instead of you reaching out to recruiters. I have been able to do that with the help of AI, and I will be teaching you the same as well, via which I have built, I think this number has crossed what 25k 30k already. So I have already built that sort of a network on LinkedIn, and we'll be teaching you the same on how you can do that with the help of AI. Okay, also you'll be learning how to become a Microsoft certified expert worth rupees, this entire bonus is worth rupees 25,000, and you'll be getting it for free. So all of this, okay, the entire ChatGPT, AI, prompt engineering, Power BI, SQL, Excel and PowerPoint program, the live coaching program with all of the bonuses as you can see on the screen at just a price point of rupees 28,700. That too we are providing you a 7 monthly no cost installment where you just pay a booking fee of 4,100 right now, and the remaining part we have partnered with payment partners, okay, with financing partners who will be providing you with complete no cost financing, so that you do not have to worry about interest cost or anything like that. We will take care of that. We will bear the interest on your behalf. Okay, so 4,100 and the remaining split into the remaining 6 months. Now guys, QR code right there in front of you, and these are the sort of people who are already a part of the masterclass and gotten amazing results. And I'll show you more. See this entire playlist. Entire 68 video playlist is of our people who have gotten successful results, and this is the latest playlist. This is one more playlist that we are building right now. So like this, we want to build multiple playlists for every batch for people who are a part of the masterclass. Similarly, over here, all 50 of you who will be a part of the program. It's a 50-member cohort. All 50 of you, I want all 50 of you to succeed and give us video testimonials like this, because this is what will help us in the long run. Okay? Now guys, I am sure a couple of you would be wondering how to get the certificates, notes and bonuses for today's session. How many of you have been waiting for this? Certificates, notes and bonuses. Do you want to know how to get this? Do you want to know how to get this? Yes? Chalo. Okay. So guys, today we had the workshop. Okay? We had the workshop. Tomorrow you will be getting the workshop certificates. Okay? There will be a message which will be sent in the WhatsApp group, which will, there will be a link, a certificate generator link, which we have developed. You will need to go over there, fill in your details, and your certificate will be, generated instantly right after that itself. Okay? So workshop certificates you will be able to do tomorrow with the help of that certificate generator link tomorrow. Clear to each and everyone? Clear to each and everyone? Yes? Yes? So that is about certificates. Talking about bonuses for this particular workshop. As I promised you, you will be getting bonuses for this particular workshop. Okay? You will be getting that in the WhatsApp group today. And also, my team member will be sharing the link of the bonuses with you guys in the chat box in the next couple of minutes. Okay? Bonuses both in the chat box right now and in the WhatsApp group as well. Okay? Clear about the bonuses. Can I get a clear? Can I get a clear in the chat box? Bonuses के बारे में everything is clear. Workshop certificate, repeat once, repeating it once again. Tomorrow, you will be getting a link, a certificate generator link to generate your verified D10X verified certificates. Okay, you will be able to do that. Fill in your details and post that you will be able to generate your certificate. Okay, that is about the certificates. Now talking, how many of you want notes of this entire workshop? Our notes with all the links, all the relevant materials for the workshop. How many of you want it? Me. Come on guys, I want more excitement in the chat box if you want the notes for the workshop. Me. Okay, if you want the notes for this particular workshop, that will be shared to you directly. Okay, we want to clarify each and everyone's doubts, whatever questions. If you had any questions in the workshop, we would be asking our team members to help you personally. If you have any questions about the masterclass, I know a couple of people, a lot of you have their payments failed, you want to register but you want to clarify class timings, etc. Whatever the case is for you, if you have not made the booking right now and you want more to get more of your questions answered about the masterclass, you have more doubts about the workshop which you want to get clarified, okay, all of that our team member will be calling you personally to help you with that. Okay, workshop help, masterclass help, payment help, they will be able to do all of that. In fact, they will be sharing workshop notes with you personally as well. Okay, they will be sharing workshop notes with you personally as well. Is everyone clear about how they will be getting the workshop notes? Team members calling you, they'll be assisting you with whatever doubts you have about workshop, about masterclass, they'll be sharing you notes of the session as well. Okay? Bonuses already shared in chat box, it will be shared in the WhatsApp group once again. Workshop certificates, tomorrow, link to generator certificate, click over there, fill in the details, verified D10X generated certificate will be created. Clear? Can I get a clear in the chat box if it is absolutely clear to each and everyone? Can I register now? Will I be in early bird 25? Absolutely, you can go ahead and register now as well. Okay, you can go ahead and register right now. It will be updated, guys. In the link, it will be updated whether it is an early bird seat or not. If it is showing, the bonuses, if the link is showing the bonuses, you can go ahead and be a part of the first 35. Clear? Chalo. Done. Now, people, while you registered for this particular workshop, you might have paid an additional amount for. How many of you paid an additional amount for additional templates or something while you registered for this workshop? Me. I did. Me. Okay. For all of you who paid an additional amount while registering for the workshop, okay, you will be getting that in your personal WhatsApp. Okay, that was a one-time offer bundle. You will be getting that in your personal WhatsApp, not in the WhatsApp group, but in your personal WhatsApp. Is it clear to each and everyone? Can I get a clear in the chat box if it is absolutely clear? Can I pay for it now? No, guys, you cannot pay for it now. That was a one-time offer only. You cannot pay for it now. One-time offer gone. Okay, similarly, this masterclass is also a one-time offer. You can go ahead with it or you can skip it. It is completely up to you how you want to go ahead with it.
But just promise me one thing, you will never stop upskilling, right? If you register with me, don't register with me, but never stop upskilling, right? Because here in 21st century, wealth is going to migrate from deniers of AI to deployers of AI. What do I mean by deniers of AI? Deniers of AI are basically people who are denying AI. They are not getting themselves upskilled in AI, right? And they are going to lose their wealth to people who are deploying the AI and which are going to get massive advantage going forward when it comes to stock market, when it comes to their job, when it comes to their day-to-day life. Every aspect of life is getting impacted by AI. So it is high time everyone, each and every one should be getting and leveraging AI for themselves, right? Even if you don't join me, I love each and every one of you. I want you to upskill yourself in AI. Promise? Everyone promise? Give me this commitment that you are going to upskill yourself in AI. Okay? Promise, promise, promise. I think excited to start journey. Absolutely, folks. Absolutely. All right. Okay. So, folks, we have one really beautiful video, right, from Palki Sharma Upadhyay. With your permission, I would like to give this perspective of her. She is one of my favorite journalists, and she will be telling you what kind of impact AI is creating and how you can save your workday will be coming down to 3.5 days, and how you will be getting benefited mostly out of this AI revolution. With your permission, if you want, can I play this video?
Guys, do we have the permission? It is a short video, and I'm sure you guys would love it. I'm 100% sure everyone would love it. So if we have the permission, we'll play the video and then we'll wrap up the session in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Sure? Chalo. Okay, done.
Of a human alarm clock. Would you like to work as one? I know it sounds absurd, but before the 18th century, before the Industrial Revolution, this used to be an actual job. A human alarm clock. People used to go around in the dark. They would wander cold streets, tap on people's windows with long sticks and wake them up for work. But mechanical alarm clocks changed this. Now we can snooze 10 morning alarms guilt-free. Why am I telling you this? Because we are witnessing a similar shift again. We are living in the 21st century through the 4th Industrial Revolution with artificial intelligence. This has invited a range of changes. Some mundane, some big, and others shocking. In Australia, TV newscasters are interviewing androids. Ukraine's government has an AI spokesperson. Spain has AI models. Simply put, this technology is changing work and leaving us with many, many questions. How will artificial intelligence impact the workforce? Which jobs are at risk? Should we be scared? According to Goldman Sachs, maybe. This is an investment bank, Goldman Sachs. It says that AI could replace 300 million jobs. That's quite a doomsday prediction. But some experts are focusing on the silver lining, like Jamie Dimon. He's the CEO of JP Morgan, America's biggest bank. One of Dimon's old interviews is making the rounds again, where he says that yes, AI will change work, but maybe for the better. It will improve work-life balance. Dimon says that the work week could shrink from 5 days to 3.5 days a week. To most employees, working for about 4 days and getting paid for 5 sounds like a dream. But does this theory hold water? Well, the jury is still out. After all, this is a fairly recent thought. But newer research agrees with Dimon. Study after study shows that a 4-day work week is possible with AI. According to McKinsey, AI will help employees take a step back. They could automate tasks. About 70% of their working hours could be automated. This will benefit employees, companies, and economies. It could add $4 trillion to the global economy every year. But is this practical? Many countries are quoting the idea, mostly in the West, like the US, the UK, Ireland, Spain, Belgium, Australia, along with Japan and Asia. They're sending dozens of companies on trial and testing a 4-day work week. As pilots continue, AI is boosting productivity and cutting down working hours. So the results are mostly positive. That is not to say that there are no hurdles. First, not every nation can replicate these models. Some nations don't have the right tools or the right technology. Some don't want a major shift in the existing work pattern. Others don't have the right guardrails. And that's also the second reason, by the way. Governments are playing catch-up with AI. The technology is not well regulated. AI is still work in progress, prone to making errors and posing threats to data and security. Since many jobs have never been automated before, we don't really know what could go wrong. So it's a mixed bag of risks and benefits. AI at work is like a double-edged sword. The result depends on who is wielding the sword. So whether you're currently in the workforce or planning to join it some 5 years later, there are things that you should know before you go to war. And ambiguity aside, two things are fairly certain. AI will automate tasks, but not entire occupations. Meaning, someone with little knowledge could write code. Finance teams could optimize forecasts. And HR could automate administrative tasks. But in other scenarios, AI could replace labor altogether instead of complementing it, like with customer service. So weigh the benefits and risks and chart your course. Be open to innovative work structures, upskill and level up, because throughout history, technology has offset job losses and job creation. So before you're forced to be a caretaker of machines, learn how to leverage the technology.
Guys,
Absolutely, folks.
yeah.
Was this video eye-opening? Was this video eye-opening for each and every one of you folks? Tell me honestly, was this video eye-opening? Yeah? Yes. She is one of my favorite journalists, right? She is one of my favorite journalists, right? Aditya, can I join now? So folks, if you are thinking about joining, I guess like only 1-2 slots more are there. Like after that, link will be automatically closed. All right, and only join if you are not lazy, right? You need to work. It is not like Aditya is going to. It is not like Aditya is saying like money back and all this thing, and I'm going to join and everything, sit back and relax and everything is going to happen. You need to put in work. Everyone clear with that? Everyone is going to give me hard work, right? Everyone is going to give me that work, right? Yes.
Yes, guys,
Absolutely.
without hard work, can't achieve. We won't be able to help you. No one in the world will be able to help you. Okay, so we'll be teaching you, we'll be guiding you, we'll be showing you the correct direction. But you will need to walk in the correct direction. If you want to go from point A to point B, and if you're not walking, can you ever reach point B? You will never be able to reach point B. So you will need to walk. We will show you the direction. Okay, is it clear to each and everyone? Does it make a lot of sense that I just told you? That you will need to walk, we will show you the direction. Does it make a lot of sense? Can I get a MS in the chat box if it makes sense and everyone is committed towards that? Not being lazing around and not watching the sessions and then expecting after 4 months ki where is my salary? So that is not possible. No one in the world can help you if that is the case. Okay? So you will need to work hard and together we will work hard in order to make it possible as all our previous students have been able to do so. Okay?
Absolutely. Krishna
Okay,
says,
so
Aditya,
for
can I
people who
get...
are asking ki my payment got failed, will I I want to talk to your agents and then decide. So for you guys, we will don't worry, we will take care of you guys. So our representatives will try to help you with the bonuses as well. So do not worry about it. Okay, we will try to help you for whose payment got failed and everything. We have noted down your names.
Absolutely, folks. Folks, lot of you are saying, I want recording of the session, I want recording. Whether who wants recording of the session? Can I know in the chat box? Can I know in the chat box? Who wants recording of the session? Today's session. Right? Would you be good? Drop in me in the chat box. If I get enough excitement, maybe I'll think something
Guys,
about
we
it.
never do
Alright?
this, okay? We never do this. This is the first time we are doing something like this. So if you want us to do something like this, you want to give us you have to give us the biggest amount of energy in the chat box.
Yes. And folks, tell me one thing. If you want recording of the session, how was this session for you on a scale of 1 to 10? Like, how much will you rate this session on a scale of 1 to 10? Today's session on a scale of 1 to 10. How much will you rate? 10,000, 15, 100, 10, 10, 10, 9.5, 10,000, more than 10,000. Absolutely loved it. Mind blowing. 10 out of 10. Right? So, folks. I never give the recording to anyone, right? I never give recording to anyone. But since all of you guys want it, can I get something in return for the recording? Can I get something in return for the recording? Yes. I do not want anything else. Whatever you said, whatever you felt about the session, right? You said the session was 10 on 10, session was 1000 on 10, right? I just want that, whatever you said, I want to hear it out, I want to listen to it, right? I want you, I want you to create one video telling the same thing on this particular ring, right? So just go on testimonial.beat/beatnext review. I'll just show you how you can do it. Once I have your video,
Are you sharing
the
this?
session? Yeah, absolutely. Is my screen visible? Folks, is my screen visible?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Absolutely, right? Just go to testimonial, I'm sharing the link, just go to this link. Once you are on this link, right? What you are going to do? Just click on record video, right? Click on record video and here, select, you can select whatever you want, alright? Now, here, just you need to talk about yourself, alright? So, I'll just start recording. I'll talk about myself, right? Hello, my name is Aditya Kashwar. So today I'm from Mumbai. So today I attended AI Tools workshop from Aditya Goenka and Aditya Kashwar, and I like how they use Gamma.app. I like how they use interview bit and all these things. Like whatever you felt are absolutely good about workshop, just mention those things, and whatever your real feedback is, right? Whatever real feedback is about the workshop, just create a short video about this. You just need to go to this link and just click on record video, and after that video will be recorded. And once I have your video testimonial, after that my team will reach out to you and they will give you recording of the session as well. I'll be getting a recording of yours, you'll be getting recording of mine. I feel like this is a fair deal. All right, so let's go ahead for that. I have shared link in the chat box. You can go right now and record it, and you'll be getting a recording by tomorrow. Okay, so here
Yes,
just
you can
give
also
your name.
mention. You can also mention what tools you like the best, and how you would utilize it in your job, in your day-to-day life, whatever you want to mention. Okay, yeah, you can mention that in the review, and we would love to hear that.
Absolutely right. So here just write your name and give your registered email ID, right? Give your registered email ID so that my team will send you session on like a recording of the session on your registered email ID. If you don't get recording of the session by tomorrow, just message on hello@beatnext.com, beatnext.in. My bad. Hello@beatnext.in. Just message like I have shared the video recorded myself video, but I didn't receive the video test your workshop video. You'll be getting workshop video as well. If you don't get in that way, or check your spam folder tomorrow. Whoever is going to record this video and give this email ID over here, I'm going to share. I will make sure you get recording of the session by tomorrow so that you can watch it at your own pace and you can enjoy this session again and again and again. Sounds fair, everyone? Sounds fair? I think already recorded. Already. Superb, guys. Superb. All right.
Guys, whoever has done or is planning to do, type in done if you have already done, or planning to do, type in plan in the chat box if you're planning to do.
All right, but this recording we don't share with anyone, right? We don't share with anyone. So I'm going to share it with first 30, right? Super 30. Here also Super 30 ka principle hai. First 30 people are going to get recording, because recording is something which we never share. Like you guys are the first batch where we are planning to do this. So for first 30 people, it is going to be there. For after 30, maybe guys, thanks a lot for your testimonial, but you won't be getting it, right? So be among first 30, okay? All right. Okay, folks. So thanks a lot for being such a lovely audience. I absolutely just upskill yourself. I want you to, each and every one of you, to get result. Doesn't matter if you join us, don't join us. Just upskill yourself and each and every single day basis. All right. And see you all in our basic to advanced ChatGPT, AI prompt engineering, MS Excel, Power BI, SQL, Tableau, PowerPoint interview, resume and communication masterclass, and 10x your earnings and career growth. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. See you. Bye.
Okay, guys, perfect. Thank you so much for attending. Guys, by the way, just, one thing which I just remembered, one tool which I was supposed to share with you all, that is character.ai. Okay, character.ai is the tool via which you can chat with any of the famous characters like Elon Musk, Albert Einstein, anyone in the world. Okay, simply go to character.ai. All right, is it clear? In fact, let me show it on my screen share as well. Okay, simply go to character.ai. This is the AI tool via which you will be able to talk to any of the famous personalities in the world. Okay, let me know the feedback about it. Okay, you can let me know the feedback about it, and would love to hear that. You can email us, you can let us know via LinkedIn post, via LinkedIn message, whatever the case is for you. Okay.
All right, folks, and congratulations, whoever has registered, you guys are among top 35. 33 slots are gone, 2 more slots are remaining. Once it is done, we'll be closing up with this batch, and after that, maybe this batch, we are going to make sure whatever we promise that we deliver, right? Because it is very, very important for us to keep a small batch, because we want to work on your result, right? So that's why make sure you are among this batch and you grab this opportunity. Don't wait for next batch, right? Next batch maybe I'll start after 4 months. So don't wait for next one. Grab this opportunity and start your career journey. Okay? So thanks a lot, folks, and love each and every one of you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, people who are asking total we have 50 slots. 35 is for early bird, and people jinka payment fail hua, we'll help you. Do not worry about it. Okay, our team members will call you. They'll help you with the workshop, with the masterclass, with the notes, everything. So do not worry about it. Okay? Chalo. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye bye.